Right, hang on. Start streaming. It's gonna take a second. Start streaming. Okay. Oh, did you see the thumbnail I made? Oh man, that took me a while to make. No, I will check it out afterwards. And the thing is this, you said you're going to the gym and I was like, alright, that gives me an hour and a half, that gives me time to set up Minecraft, set up the stream, and have something to eat right before the stream. I didn't have time to eat. All that went towards making the thumbnail, creating the server, setting up OBS. Did you make it yourself? The thumbnail? Oh, I love those. Alright, so, do you have Minecraft open? Nice, I'm gonna tweet the stream real quick actually. Hold on. Hold on, I didn't tweet it yet. I'm slow. Publish. Minecraft through Nightfall, noob teaching noob. Because even I am noob at this. Even I am a noob. I haven't played this game in years. I just played it like earlier this week just to make sure everything works fine, to notice a few changes, but man, I'm gonna be a noob as well. So okay, the tweet, the thing has been tweeted. Vloggy playing Minecraft with Tru. Dogs and cats living together, mass hysteria. Hey, Toby's here! Toby's here! Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna be teaching Tru how to play Minecraft. It's gonna be a bit funny. It's gonna be funny. Alright, so you have Minecraft open, yes? Alright, I'm gonna open Realms real quick. I'm gonna create a world real quick. So world options. No, not this. I need to reset the world. Alright, I'm gonna create a world right now. Seed, I'm not gonna do anything. Reset world. Alright, here we go. Resetting world. I don't know. It's randomly generated, obviously. So if we have to start the game like 100 times, we're gonna get 100 different words each time. So that's it. Hello, Tara. Welcome. Alright, so I'm just gonna name it real quick. Instead of test, I'm gonna call it YTG World. Done. Alright. And alright, so I need you to go on Minecraft Realms. And I think you should see my username there. But I invited you. You should... There you go. Yeah, I invited you. So wow, this. That's me. So you click on the world, and then you're just gonna come to my world. I'm just waiting here. This is a beautiful world, actually. We're on an island. Are we on an island? Looks like we're on. Yeah, just click. Yeah, that's right. There you go. True Nightfall joined the game. Hello! There you are. That's crouching. You do shift. Yeah. Kiss my ass. Kiss my ass. Yeah, for those of you that can't see me, he's wearing underpants. Alright, so let me just explain what's going on. You see the inventory bar at the bottom. Basically, you can scroll through 10 items. Obviously, you got nothing right now. And the thing you see on the right-hand side, believe it or not, that's your hand. Okay, so I think... Alright, so follow me. Let's find a bunch of trees because there's only 2 over there. Let's just... Yeah, to run, double tap the forward button. My goodness, there aren't any trees over here. My goodness. No, the horse. Oh, poor horse. I'm worried that there aren't any trees here. Look, I only spotted like... Alright, let me just teach you how to punch down a tree. Come over here. Do you know how to punch down a tree? You probably not grass, probably got some seeds or something, yeah? Yeah, because when you destroy grass, sometimes they give you seeds like this. I'm echoing, really? Echo. The room, probably. Probably the room is echoing because I'm loud. Is that it? Because I'm loud. Blocky echo. I don't know. I don't know. Hang on a sec. Could it be that maybe my stream... Hold on a sec. No, I don't even have my own stream open, so it's not like feedback from my stream. So that's not the case. Hello Sakura, by the way. So follow me over here, and I need you to punch this tree over here. You keep punching. It's like you're gonna mind the blocks basically. With your seed, with your fist. I like to do it. So you can do it with an egg. I can see you punching the tree. There you go. You have to keep holding. Keep holding. Keep holding while you. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna pick this up. Yeah. Because it's cool like that. Yeah, you just got one block of wood. Now I'm gonna teach you how to craft and everything. So don't worry. Just chop all the whole tree, because I hate floating trees. That's one of my pet peeves. Somebody needs a block of wood. Vloggy, you're echoing on True's end, so it must be his side. It's not me. Cheer. Do I echo on? Cheer. Do I echo on my stream, my own stream? That's the thing. Because if okay, so the tree has been chopped. I can see. And by the way, hello, Cheer. Sorry. So there's a block of wood here that you dropped. You didn't pick it up over here. There you go. You pick it up. Now you have like these are just actual wood blocks, but you need to convert them into planks. So if you press E, you open your inventory. All right. And you have your crafting. No, I don't hear True at your end. You don't hear True at all. Can you speak True real quick? Oh no, it's True. You're not being captured. No, it's my thing actually. Why is it not being captured? God dang it. Oh man, I should have tested for this. Now what do I do? Properties.
How are you doing?
Can you speak again? Can you say something?
It's me, Sakura. What's up,
All
boy?
right. Now we can hear you for sure. You can definitely hear True. Sorry about that. My goodness, I thought you could hear True. Oh, I'm very sorry. I'm so stupid.
Trying to chat with all of Vloggy's friends.
I'm so sorry. But now they can't hear the game. Womp womp womp. I really wanted them to hear the game.
What's with your sound?
There's no game now. There's no game audio. You know what I can do? I can put the TV on, and the audio just gets picked up by the TV. I could do that. Anyway, so as I was saying, you guys can hear True. You can confirm, guys, in chat. You can hear True now. Yes, I hope so.
I'm the one that sounds like me.
All right. So as you can see, there's your crafting box over there. There's like 4 empty blocks. Can you see that?
Oh yeah.
All right. So if you put your wood in there, it's gonna craft it into wooden planks. For every block of wood, you get 4. You see that? Okay. I can hear True, but very faint. All right, I can just put up the volume. Yeah, thank you for the feedback, Cheer. I appreciate it.
Yep. I made 20 planks.
That's nice. Okay. Can you guys hear True now? Is it better now?
Hello.
All right. Now with the planks, what I would like you to do is put the planks. All is good now. All right, they can hear you fine. Perfect. So what you do with the planks now? You need to place 1 in each block. All right, and you will craft a crafting table.
How do I make 1 go in each block?
You grab the whole stack, and then you place. I think you right click to place 1. I think you
right click.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
All right. So now you make a workbench or a crafting table or something like that.
Oh, I think I got one.
Nice.
Hey.
Perfect. Okay, so place the workbench on the floor. So that's gonna give you like a bigger crafting box. It's a 3x3 now, so you can actually draw the things you're gonna make basically. So if you're making a pickaxe or whatever, if you right click on the box, right click on the thing, and you can see that gives you 3x3 now.
Oh, okay.
All right. And for to make things easier now, they even included a recipe book. So if you click the book on the left hand side, you will see how to make everything. Like let's say you want to make, I don't know, a door for instance. It will teach you how to make the door. If you click on the actual door, it gives you how to make the door basically. So it's very straightforward, but I'll teach you as it goes along. I'm gonna need some wood as well. Now since there aren't any trees around, very limited amount of trees around, did you happen to catch a sapling perhaps?
Oak sapling, I have 2.
Yeah, can you place them around so another tree grows both. Actually, place both so that we get more trees because definitely not enough. Just place them around, yeah, and eventually they'll grow back into trees. Midna, hello.
How
hello,
green
Midna.
of us.
Yeah. So all right. So I'm gonna do the same thing real quick. Actually, you know what? Chop down any trees you find, and let's meet back here again in a sec, all right? Because I'm gonna find a few more trees as well.
I see a tree over here.
Yeah, and even the sapling, replant the saplings as well.
Okay. Oh, you're going for that tree too.
Yeah.
Is there only one tree? I'll go for that far tree.
There's not many trees around, but
Oh, we got a very sparse island.
yeah, wow. But that's what I love about this game. It's very randomly generated. I could have easily, you know, set a seed.
Sure, can you mute the other stream from Vlog? I don't have any other Vloggy stream up. I don't. They keep saying you're echoing. I only have my stream paused, and I don't have it in preview mode here. I don't understand it.
Yeah, I heard, Midna, I heard about Pixelmon. I actually heard about Pixelmon, but, I don't know, it doesn't appeal to me. It's like a Minecraft server with Pokemon in it. But it doesn't really appeal to me. Alright. Oh.
Breaking
There's
trees.
hidden wood around. So you got wood now, yeah?
Oh, I got wood.
Did you get wood? Giggity.
Giggity. Where's Sakura and Amy when we need?
Sometimes the trees can randomly drop apples as well. You can eat those.
I didn't get any saplings off this one.
The thing is, after you chop down a tree,
That's
the leaves automatically decay on their own. So they might drop saplings later. In my case, for example, I already picked up like 6 saplings.
I got dirt. I want dirt.
Oh, is it getting dark already? No. Oh,
Jeez,
the sun is setting. The sun is setting. We're in so much trouble, man.
We need a house. We need a house, man. We gotta build.
We need a house. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry, I'm an expert. Wood, wood, wood. Give me a house.
Oh my goodness. We're in so much trouble if it goes dark. Monsters is gonna start spawning.
Give me my wood back.
Hold on. Do you know where I am?
No.
All right.
Yeah, you're right there.
All right. We need to find each other. I mean, we need to make sure we're next to each
Oh,
other.
that sun's setting fast. Oh God, Minecraft is a quick sun.
Yeah, it's like The Sims. It's fast in The Sims. Everything takes 5 seconds apparently.
Good Lord. Where's our house, Vloggy? You gotta build us a house,
We don't even
man.
have a house and it's going dark. I wasted a lot of time.
That's it. I'll make the house. We gotta get drastic.
Follow me.
You got it? Where are we going?
Follow me. We're gonna, I don't know where we're going, but let's go here real quick.
Super cheap.
Let's go here. Follow me before it goes dark. Ooh, a nice
Can we go to that island over there?
Yeah,
Is that
that's where I'm going. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be safe, but let's go.
This will be our little island
this is
adventure.
gonna
Oh,
be
I'm
our
drowning.
house.
How do I get out of water?
Press spacebar to jump and.
Oh, okay, Jesus, that was sick. Oh wow, we got our own grotto in here. This is our Playboy island.
This is not good. This house.
This is totally man. Our house right on top. Get out of here, sheep. This is our lane.
This is not good, man. This is
not good. Okay.
I already see spiders on the other side. Okay, you know what? I think.
Vloggy got no pants on. Yeah, Sakura Vloggy is in vlogging mode. Sheep. I think we're stuck here, man.
We're gonna have to stay on this island for now, huh? Because we didn't even get any stone or anything, and that's not good.
I got an apple.
Yeah, even me. That's gonna help us get through the night.
This is oh God, I'm drowning.
Yeah, press spacebar. Press spacebar to swim. Oh man.
Whoa, get out of there. Get out of there.
Sand. You can pick up sand as well.
How do I get out?
You press spacebar.
Jesus, swimming is hard.
Nah, you just press spacebar so you stay afloat. I already see zombies over there.
Can we make a house out of sand? Is that a thing?
No, it's gonna because sand is the only thing affected by gravity in this game. Is Jackhammer here? Streamer. This wasn't for Halloween Horror Week. Yeah, this is horror, pure horror.
Can we make sheep
sand is the only
business?
thing. Sand is the only thing affected by gravity. Let me show you what I mean. Hold on. All right, look at this. True. I'm gonna.
How do I make the sheep obey me?
So you see this tower of sand that I just made.
Yeah.
If I place a block of dirt, it's gonna float. You see, it stays up in the air. See? It stays up in the air. Because it's not affected by gravity. But if I had to put sand, look, it falls.
Oh wow, sand is tricky.
Sand is the only thing affected by gravity in this game.
Don't worry, Vloggy. I'm gonna make us a sweet little house. I'm a little homemaker over here. Don't you worry about a thing.
No beef, only bacon. Welcome. Long time no see.
Old True's got us covered.
Old True's got us covered. Wow, I was going to teach you how to place blocks. Well done.
Don't worry about it. I'm an expert at Minecrafting.
Oh, you know what? I should teach you how to craft a few things, actually. Place down the workbench. I'll teach you how to craft a few things.
My workbench is over there on Death Island.
Oh, no. All right, let me just give you mine. That's fine. Let me just give you mine. There we go.
Okay, look at that sweet house.
Nice. Place the workbench. Now, what you can do, for example, let's just say you're going to craft a pickaxe. It's like you're going to have to draw the item, basically. So if you're making a pickaxe, for example, you need to make 2 sticks.
How do I get... Oh, never mind. I got it. I got planks again.
Wow, I just realized the game actually draws it for you. Actually, it's so much easier now. I don't even need to teach you how to craft. Wow, this is so much easier now. You just right-click, click on the little book on the side, the green book.
Yeah, it's open.
And you see, you get like the tools. You get wooden pickaxe.
Jesus, the echoes come. Let me try something with this echo. Well, let me hear my stream for a second because it says you're echoing.
It's not from mine. It can't be from mine because otherwise it would be mine as well. I mean, you know, I'm gonna make a sword.
Holy hell! That is crazy echo on my stream.
Really?
Yeah, that's got to be. I don't know what I could be doing to do that. I only have that stream paused. I don't know what could be doing that.
Oh wow!
Is it like?
It can be from my end though. No, I mean because
it was.
I don't think because it was. I mean, people would hear me as well. The same.
Maybe it's. Let me try this. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. I can still hear you.
Let me. I don't know if that did anything. Let me see on my stream. I wonder if it's like picking up you on. Well, no, I don't know.
You don't have your own stream open or anything like that, is it?
No, I have it paused here, so I don't have any stream running.
Interesting. Oh no! Oh no! That doesn't sound good. I may have heard a zombie. Be careful, buddy!
Vloggy, my game's minimized. Do something. Stay back.
Oh my goodness! He's going after you. No, he's not. No, he's not. I might die. Two of them. No.
Nobody attacks my Vloggy.
No, I'm gonna die. You're gonna die.
No, I'll save you, Vloggy. Don't worry.
I died.
Oh, I'm drowning. Get out of the water.
Hey, big boss, welcome. Sorry, I'm focusing on the game right now. Don't die, buddy.
Avenge the Vloggy Buddy.
I don't even know where you are
buddy
now.
attacks us on Playboy
Creeper!
Island.
Creeper! Oh my goodness.
Zombies aren't so.
Tonight we was slain by zombies.
Oh yeah.
All right, you need to be careful now because there's a creeper right at spawn point. It's like a green creature. Oh man, I'm being hit by arrows.
Hold on. Check the playback device, True.
Oh man, who's chasing me? Oh man, this. Whoa! They're everywhere. Oh my goodness. No, this is not good. This is not good. And this is not the same island actually we were on. Because I don't see the. I don't see the house that you built. The house. the stack of wooden blocks.
Sweet house.
I cannot see you. Alright, no worries. Yeah, watch out for the green creatures. They're called creepers. If they get too close to you, they blow up. They make a giant crater on the floor and obviously you die. So it's important that when creepers blow up, they're not anywhere near your house.
Okay. Sorry, I've been messing with my sound here because this is...
No problemo. Oh, man, I have no idea where you are, and I have no idea where the house is or anything like that. I have no idea. We need to wait till the morning because this is not going to be good. I'm already almost dead again.
Oh.
Oh, there you are. You're being attacked by a zombie. But anyway, I'm
Damn
like... Okay, I found the house. I found the house. Lol, once I get this game, I will take care of... Actually, I'm not a noob, no. It's just because we were slowed down.
So, Kura, how does it sound now? Does Vloggy sound the same? I don't know how to...
Nightfall was slain by a zombie. No!
Damn it! Damn it! I'm not even in the game right now.
Now our island is obviously... You know what? Where's my sword? Maybe I can pick it up. Because when you die, you drop all the items. Ah, creeper!
I don't know. Okay, I'm coming back in the game. Time to get serious here. Oh, it's a zombie! Oh, that's a zombie. Sheep, protect me. Did the zombies kill sheep?
No, they kill you.
Oh, stupid zombies. Oh, multiple zombies. Oh, there's Playboy Island.
I see you, yes, it's Playboy Island. Maybe we should make this island our home.
Who's this guy?
Don't look at him. Don't look at him. I see you getting attacked. I can see you getting attacked.
Oh my god, who's that creepy tall one?
I am Rusty, yes, I am Rusty. Yes, he's called, you're being chased by a spider.
Vloggy?
I see that.
Vloggy, is that, oh god,
come, whoa, why is he? Oh no! I got slain by a zombie again. Ah, man.
Swim. Oh, you just hold space bars? Oh, that's not you. That's just a bunch of zombies on an island. Where are you? Oh, zombies can swim? And spiders can swim?
Yes. Oh, man.
Oh,
help me, please.
No
please, help me.
I don't know.
Is it still echoing? Is Vloggy still echoing? Maybe I have an echoey voice.
No, it's Cheer said you don't sound echoey anymore.
Oh, that's awesome. Okay.
I don't know what I did, but I clicked something and it worked. Where are you, Vloggy?
It's okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Sun is coming up. I'm gonna die one more time on purpose, and and we'll meet on the Playboy Island. Okay?
Okay. I'm on Playboy Island already.
Kill me, please.
Get away from me, zombie. Oh. This is a tall guy and an archer guy. Come on, son. Kill him.
Yeah, as soon as the sun comes up, they're gonna burn. Burn!
Yeah.
Okay, I'll meet you on the Playboy Island.
Ow!
Meet me on the Playboy Island.
The sun's up. Why aren't you guys dying? I'm on Playboy Island. Oh, they're on fire. Yeah, burn, sucker.
Burn, sucker.
You guys aren't so tough now. Oh! They were on fire. Hey, who's this little guy? Ow! He exploded.
Yeah, the green one. Be careful of the green ones because they cause damage.
That's a creeper.
They cause damage. Hey, Slim Gamer, I'm playing with Tru. Yeah, okay. Be careful when the zombies are on fire as well. Be careful because they can actually set you on fire if they hit you. All right, so we're back on our island, and it's morning now. And
I'm not. Where'd Playboy Island go? Hey, right. This stupid zombie's still alive. The exploding one.
He's probably not. It's not zombie. It's a creeper. Creeper.
Creepers don't die in the sun.
The creepers, no, they just explode. Just get away from them even.
Oh, who's this? What about these tall guys?
Some zombies, they're called Endermen. They're inspired.
Ow! Ow! Fucker!
Don't look at them.
Oh, I looked at him and he's real mad at me.
They're allergic to water. Actually, that's the only mob that doesn't swim in the water. There, I can see you.
Oh, good.
I see
what an asshole.
All right, so let's see if I can pick up our stuff. No, our stuff is gone now, but that's fine. Is he chasing you? Come into the water! Come into the water! Come into the water! He killed you again! He was right after you, because he was waiting.
I thought they didn't swim.
Yeah, but you were you were back on the main surface. All right, so.
Oh, so they just like cheating.
We need to start getting stuff
well, he's still on the island. How am I supposed to do anything now?
No. He's gonna go away now. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I'm gonna push him into the water. If you can push him without looking at him like this.
Oh.
Look at him, look at him. Oop, he poofed. Oh, he's there.
Hey, he's up on our house. Oh yeah, I lost all my wood.
I'm hitting him.
Oh, he looks angry.
Yeah, he is. Uh-oh.
Jump attack.
Yeah, I'm in the water now.
Beat it, Ender douche. Oh, I'm turning around. Oh, is he in the water?
He's trying to come into the water, but...
Where'd he go?
He's trying to come to the water, but... All right, I need you to take a look at something. I don't want you to drown, but I need you to look at something real quick. Come underwater real quick. We don't have to be here long. All right. Do you see the blocks with black spots on them? Those are coal. Those are coal ores. So if we mine those, yeah, we're gonna need to make a pickaxe so we can actually mine that. And we need to mine some stone as well. Let's just go back. Oh, that Enderman is not gonna let us go. Okay. Oh, he killed me!
Whoa! Hey! You're a dead man. Whoa, he just like teleported out of here.
Yeah, they teleport, They teleport. They do that.
Oh, I got a bunch of rotten flesh. Is that your flesh?
Yes, that's all my stuff. You can pick it up. You can pick it up.
Oh yeah, I'll grab it for you. You get some blocks there.
Alright, so we need to start making a house. And I think Playboy Island is not going to be good enough spot to make the house. I think it's too small. And
All right.
So come back to the mainland.
Let me collect my wood here.
Yeah, pick up the wood that I dropped as well.
Yeah, you had a bunch of wood. I got it.
And we're gonna start making a house. I'm gonna make a quick house, just enough so. Karen is here, and V4 is here as well. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm not looking at chat. This game is so distracting. And I'm teaching through. I'm not really good at teaching. I'm trying. I'm trying.
What up, Karen? What up, V4?
All right, so that's enough.
Cheerful. It's hard to see something in the water when Vloggy is pantsless.
The Enderman is still here. All right, so you're taking down that house. Okay, you're taking out the house. We're calling it house.
Yeah,
we're calling it
that
house.
was my house. It was totally. It was a studio. It was a flat. All right.
Let me see, actually. Hold on. No, this house is going to be... This island's too small to make a house on it, I think. It's not going to be enough. I mean...
I thought Endermen were like end game boss bad guys or something.
Kind of, actually, yes.
They're just everywhere?
Kind of. Well, I mean, they are in the final area of the game as well. There's plenty of them. But, I mean, actually, as long as you don't look at them, you're going to be okay. Trust me when I say that. All right,
oh, you can like 64 blocks? Okay,
let's go on the mainland. I want to do something with this island, though. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to do something with Playboy Island for sure.
Yeah, Playboy Island definitely needs to make use. Can't have an island called Playboy Island and not use it.
Vloggy's building the love manor. Yeah, we need to build. We need to start building a house or something because it's gonna get dark before we know it. So, all right. So how about over here, perhaps somewhere over here? Yeah.
Did any trees grow? Jesus.
Yeah. If you have any saplings, place them down. Oh, I have 7 actually. I should be the one placing them. All right. Be careful. The Enderman is still here. Just so you know. Be careful.
Oh, Jesus!
Yeah, don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Don't worry.
I'm not looking at him. I didn't know he's right next to me when you said he's here.
All right, can I have your wood, Giggity?
How do I give something up?
Oh yeah, that's right. You can either go into the inventory, all right, and drag them out of your inventory. You can just drag them out. You grab them by the yeah, there you go. You grab the whole thing. You just gave me the sword though. Yeah, that's what I need.
Yeah,
that's
what your sword.
I'm talking about.
Oh, I have a bunch of arrows in me. Do I have arrows in me?
Probably. You probably have some arrows because some skeletons died. I have an errand. I have an errand for you, Tru. Actually, I have an errand. Grab these saplings and go plant them everywhere.
Now Vloggy is echoing. I don't know. I don't know how you can go from not echoing to echoing. I don't know, screw it.
I don't know.
Somebody has a fix. Let me know.
I'm just awesome and I echo because you need to hear you need to hear my voice more than once.
You have to hear the Vloggy.
You have to hear
Alright, planting trees. Oh, there's a tree over here.
Alright, so I made like a little frame. I don't know how it is gonna be, but I made a little frame for our house. If you find any trees, please mine them. Give me some wood, Giggity.
Yeah.
So I can just
start
start
making
making
our
here.
I'll get it.
Just start making.
There's another tree there,
Yes.
and
be like
put a tree over here.
Do you have any bones on you?
No. Raw mutton and rotten flesh.
It's okay.
White wool? Where I got that?
With wool, we can make a mattress and we can make a bed or something.
Ah.
And if we're both sleeping at the same time, we can turn it into morning right away. Oh, there's a tree over there. Unless you're mining it. Hold on. Oh yeah, you're mining the same tree. So, not enough trees around, huh? Not enough trees around.
I just planted a bunch of saplings. How long does it take for them to grow?
Well, if you have bone meal, oh, there we go. I just consumed 3 bones and nothing. Sometimes with bone meal they grow faster, but
I got 1 sapling out of that tree. I'll go plant this.
Just place it down and we'll just wait. How much wood do you have on you?
Well, let me convert this. How do I do that? I have 19 woods.
Yeah, that's gonna have to do for now. Sleeping in the same bed. No, we're not gonna sleep in the same bed. I just noticed Vloggy's not wearing trousers. Of course I'm not wearing trousers.
It's for survival. We have to sleep in the same bed. There's nothing weird about it.
For body heat.
Yeah.
To maintain body heat. And I'm not wearing pants. I'm ready. And I'm not wearing any pants. My body is ready.
I don't want this. I'm gonna go attack a sheep. I want his sweet, sweet wool for warmth.
I'm trying to make a nice house. Well, I'm not nice right now. I'm not really focused on nice, but you know what I mean.
And the spooning for survival, yes, Sakura.
We need to have. I found another tree. Hold on. We need to. Can you make a pickaxe? Well, I'm not good. Can you make a pickaxe and try looking for some stone, perhaps?
How do you make a pickaxe? That is a good
Go
question.
onto the crafting bench. Click on the green book and it will show you. You have to make a T-shaped drawing, kind of.
With what?
Around.
Where is the crafting bench?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna place it in the house. I'm gonna place it inside the house so it's easier to find now. Okay, I'm gonna place it in the house. Come to the house. I'm gonna place it right there, inside the house.
Let me see.
I put it there for now.
A lot of grass in our house here.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. We're gonna have to be okay with it for now. Oh, there's a. Oh, I found some stone over here.
I'm not okay with that.
I found some
Hey,
stone.
sheep! Here. What do you think this is, farm? Get out of here. Dead sheep walking. Yeah. Oh, he had meat on him too.
Okay, we consumed all. You don't have any wood on you, do you? Nothing.
No.
Ow!
What happened? Hey! That's it! It's going down!
PvP! Alright, we need to get some wood.
Oh, yes. Where?
Oh man, we've got no trees at all. Nothing. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do actually? Hold on. I'm gonna kill a bunch of sheep. Maybe we can make a bed. Or we need to make 2 beds actually. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill sheep too.
Oh, look at all these saplings. I found more saplings.
Yeah, I planted a bunch.
No, they were just lying about. I need to plant these.
Oh.
So.
What do I do with seeds? Do those like do stuff?
Too soon for seeds right now. I'm just gonna. If I can find more sheep, maybe.
I always have dirt. I want dirt.
Oh, I found more sheep. Okay. How many? How much wool do you have on you?
I have, after I kill this guy, I have 5 wool.
Oh, 5. That's fantastic. All right, meet me at the house. I'm just gonna take some wood from the house for the time being, so we can make beds.
Slim gamer. Okay, I have a bunch of wool. There's wool.
Yeah, let's meet in the house. There you
go.
go.
I picked it up again.
True, I got you something. Look at me.
You got me.
I got you a flower.
Ah!
All right,
best roomie ever.
All right. All right, I'm gonna need to take some of this wood. I need to take 6 blocks of wood. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna make beds for us right now. Actually, you know what? Let's test your crafting skills. I'm gonna give you the woods. You have 3 blocks of woods, and I'm gonna give you 3 blocks of wool. Make a bed. So you learn how.
Let's see. Book.
Oh, it's going dark. So as soon as you make the bed, place it on the floor and then right click on it so we can actually... Oh no, you have to do the crafting bench. You need to go on the crafting bench to create the bed.
Oh.
Where's my... I missed the block of wood.
Ah.
You go on the crafting bench and you take a look at the book.
Oh, here we go. Oh.
Come on, man.
Okay.
Not you, come on. Oh, I'm getting hungry as well. That's nice. That's fantastic.
Hey.
You made the bed? Nice. Okay, sleep in the bed. I'm gonna join you soon.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How do you, hey, I'm in bed.
I'm coming.
Sakura's all jealous.
We're sleeping together. And it's gonna be morning now.
I don't see what's happening right now.
No, stay in bed, stay in bed, stay in bed.
Oh, there you go.
Stay in bed, otherwise it won't turn into morning. Hey, Jazz, welcome. Should be okay. Yes, it's morning again.
Hey.
It's morning, and the trees grew. Some of the trees grew as well.
Oh, let's go chopping.
Also, we just reset our spawn point. Our spawn point from now on is gonna be over there, in the house. That if we die, stay careful of the zombies, because some of the zombies have spawned and they're dying again. So be careful.
They're all on fire. I guess only 1 tree grew.
I know the feeling, Jazz. I'm just like that actually. I have been so busy this week. I worked 60 hours.
Oh yeah. Oh, I'm hungry apparently. My character wants food.
Yeah, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna craft a furnace real quick. I need to make some stones. Oh, look at this giant tree over here. I'm gonna leave up to you to mine it, alright? So you learn.
Wait, am I eating raw mutton?
Yeah, you can, but it's better if you cook it because it
Hey, this is like a giant cavern underneath our home. Are you aware of this?
saw that. Yeah, I saw that already, yes.
Oh, there's lava there. That's not good.
Yeah, be careful of lava as well. Alright, so I made the pickaxe real quick, and I'm gonna...
Whoa! Where'd this tree come from?
Yeah, it grew.
Just now? Jesus.
Yeah, not too long ago. Just mine it real quick. I'm just gonna get some stone in the meantime. So we have an material to do a furnace.
How do I even get up there? This tree's huge.
Place some blocks on the ground and just climb up.
Oh, you just climb up on them?
Mm-hmm. All right, so I'm getting some achievements apparently.
Oh,
Stone
yeah,
Age.
look at you.
Stone Age.
Jump into the lava to reach the final level. Cheer, I think you're lying to me.
Cheer, you troll.
You think I'm a real noob at this game, huh?
Oh, man. All right, what's all this? Oh, no, I like this place, actually. This is a nice hidey hole. This would be a nice hidey hole.
Ooh. A little bunker.
Oh, I found coal. All right, I'm going to start mining some coal as well.
Wood.
All right, I'm just...
Okay, I need to be taller.
You need to be taller.
Oh.
I don't think you do. Okay, I'm mining a lot of coal. This is going to give us
wood.
This coal is going to give us, obviously, I just mined some stone so we can craft a furnace. And then furnace runs on coal to cook food and stuff. And also we can craft torches. So in the night we won't be in the dark. Because monsters spawn in the dark. So if there's going to be light all around us, they won't spawn. Oof.
Sakura said, watching Tru play Minecraft is giving me migraine headaches. Oh, awesome. I'm sorry, Sakura.
Alright, so... Alright, I'm getting tons of coal. I'm gonna keep mining until I break my pickaxe.
A whole lot of wood here.
A whole lot of wood.
A whole mesh of wood out here. So good at Minecraft, it's ridiculous.
You okay there? You okay on your own?
I'm winning hardcore.
You know what you can do as well if you want? I mean, I hate to tell people what to do, but you know what you can do if you want? You can continue building the house. I made the frame, so you just need to keep going higher.
Oh yeah, I got it. I'm full of wood. I'll take care of that.
Giggity. You're full of wood. Sorry, giggity. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh, Sakura's gonna chop my wood. Wait a minute. I don't like that reference. Hold on, I'm getting taller here.
I'm coming up. I'm coming up from the little cavern that we have underneath
Vloggy's
the house.
coming up.
Giggity.
He wants the world to know.
Wow, we're getting a lot of trees now. Well, not a lot, but there's another tree over there.
This tree's huge. It's taking me all day just to chop this tree down.
That's noon. It's noon right now. I'm gonna craft the furnace real quickie. I'm gonna craft the furnace and... Alright, so furnace. And I'm gonna place the furnace down next to the workbench for the time being, and I'm gonna put the...
So do we get like things to make this chopping stuff faster? This is taking forever.
Yes. Oh, I should have told you that. You can craft an axe. Actually, let me just make you an axe now. Hold on. I'm so stupid. I should have taught you that. Hold on. I'm gonna make you an axe right now, and I'm gonna make you a stone one. So at least makes things faster. I'm sorry about that. I was like, why is it taking so long? That's why. Actually,
this is a judo chop only run, and I am judo chopping the hell out of
You really are judo chopping, yeah.
I am full of wood, Sakura. You got a problem with that?
Wow, look at all the wood. Oh, nice. I'm picking it up.
Yeah, a lot of wood's dropping down. This tree is loaded. There. Oh my god.
I got the. If you want, I have the. Do you want the axe? I have the axe for you.
I'm like basically done with this tree. Oh, hold on. How do I?
I don't think you're done. I don't think
there's still. Oh, there's one more block just out of reach.
No, there's.
Oh no, is there more?
Yeah, I can see much more.
Oh, Jesus.
Let me just go up myself. Hold on.
Oh, yep, there's one over there.
I got the axe now, so it's gonna make things faster.
I think that's it. Right?
I wouldn't believe it. Sometimes there's like random wooden blocks hidden among the leaves. So, but I'm starting to think that we're done. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got it. I was in here all day, man.
All right, let's go.
Oh, sure.
Through the lumberjack.
Let's go, lumberjack. For me. How do I? Oh, it's
sorry.
Ow.
Sorry. Let me give you the axe. Let me give you the axe. Here it goes.
Oh yeah.
Boom. You want to take all that down? I'm gonna finish the house.
Yeah.
And when you come back to the house, I have a treat for you in the oven or furnace, whatever.
Oh.
Yeah, I have a treat for you. Actually,
Yeah, that's a lot faster.
I took both of them, so I'll give you one.
Okay, oh, let me plant all these. Got a bunch of saplings. We need some more trees here.
All right, so our house is gonna be...
Well, I got a ton of saplings.
I can't say it's gonna be complete because...
I have a ton of wood, so I'll start wooding it up.
Wooding it up.
Gonna plant all these trees. We're so green. Sakura's jealous of the treat you have for me. Sakura's always jelly. Give me wood planks. Oh, look at me. I'm loaded with wood planks. 64 wood. Oh, damn it.
What happened?
Well, if I guess if I hold down the button over my inventory, it like spreads them all out or something.
Yeah, because it's to do the crafting thingy. All right. So,
I thought I had to hold it to drag.
all right. So I think, yeah, I should be okay. So I'm just gonna start making the ceiling now.
How's our house going? Oh, okay, I'll help out.
We're gonna have a roof over our head in no time. Nice.
Dude, this is a sweet apartment we got here. Rent's real cheap here on this island too.
I don't really like the way the house looks actually, but whatever.
Yeah, this is a starter house, all right? This is a starter house.
Yeah, this is a starter house. You will see.
We'll upgrade.
We're gonna have a Playboy mansion.
Yeah, once we get out to block that here.
Obviously, it's gonna get dark now inside the house, so.
Wow, Sakura just said house looks like shit. Jesus.
Shut up, you. You don't know nothing about anything.
You don't know nothing about no Minecraft. You're not an expert like I am.
We judo chop.
Yeah, this is a judo chop only run. I judo chop.
Now we're in the dark.
Hey, how do we get light fixtures up in here? You know what I'm gonna do?
Placing some.
I'm gonna make a door.
Around. Placing some torches around. Yeah, make a door. Exactly. Yeah, that's good. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at chat, guys. I'm so rude.
Oh, I don't want 3 doors.
Yeah, but
it
automatically crafts 3, but you can.
Huh.
All right, so I think
hey.
so far, yeah, baby. I'm gonna place some lights outside as well. Actually,
sure.
I don't like the way the door is
2 days.
Hold on, let me place the door again.
Why are you breaking my door?
Let me just put it down again, because it's weird. Because you placed it from the inside, that's why. So, like this.
Oh, I don't want this rotten flesh.
Oh, wow.
I'm throw in the ocean.
Okay, hold on. There we go. Much better. We have torches. I'm going to place a torch over here and over here. Ooh, the problem we have now, we might have zombies spawning at the top of our house as well at night. If it gets... Hey, let me live. Welcome. Welcome, Amy.
Amy!
Do an Amy impression through for me, please.
Oh, hello, it's Amy. I've decided to join them here in Minecraft. Bosco's here, but he's been a cheeky bugger.
Cheeky bugger! What are you doing, True? I have a treat for you. Come over here. I have a treat for you.
I'm making a stairway up to our roof in case zombies invade.
No, that's fine. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. No need for stairs. No need.
Oh, cooked mutton.
Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do, actually, real quick?
Mutton's Amy's favorite food. That's an English treat.
Oh, bugger. I'm gonna place one torch over here, so zombies don't spawn up here.
Yeah, zombies. Beat it.
Ha ha ha. Let's go. Let's go.
This house looks like a prison, Sakura.
Shut up, you.
Everybody's hating.
Hate is gonna hate, potato's gonna potate.
Let's play some exploding kittens at night.
That voice remind me of Alfred Ashford, Resident Evil Code Veronica. What True's voice? All right, let's go inside. The house is going dark. Let's go. Close the door. Booyah! We're surviving the night.
Dude, you're so good at this game. Our sweet twin beds. Hey,
Yeah.
we have different sheets. Why does one block a different color?
I don't know.
What did you do in your side of the bed, you dirty dog?
Look at the sheep. Look at the sheep looking through the hole.
Hey, pervert, get out of here.
The sheep. We're being haunted by a sheep.
Oh God, we have ghost sheep here.
Oh my God, that was weird. That was scary.
Hey, what's this? Oh.
Yeah, that's the furnace. You can place coal at the bottom. And I'm gonna give you some coal, actually. Let me give you some coal. Hold on.
I don't have coal. I have mutton.
I gave you some coal. I threw some coal into your inventory. It's all on the floor. All right. You can put some coal, and if you have anything that cooks, like pork chops, for instance, I don't know, whatever you have meat, you can cook it. Even fish.
Oh yeah, cooking right now.
Yeah. Whenever you're done, we can go to bed to get jiggy with it.
Does this food last forever? Does it spoil or anything?
Yeah, it doesn't go bad, no. Oh, we have.
Okay, good.
We have something.
I'll just cook all this mutton.
Yeah, baby. All right, so.
Sakura's jealous of our mating call.
All right, you know what I'm gonna do now as well? Do I have any sand? Oh, I don't. Never mind. All right, I'm gonna make you a pickaxe, Drew. Actually,
How do
no.
we get a paint?
Actually,
I know I've seen those in people.
Do you have any wood on you? Do you have any wood on you?
I used up all our wood.
All right, I'm gonna give you the wood, and I'm gonna give you some stone.
Okay.
And I need you to craft to make yourself a sword, and make yourself a sword and a pickaxe.
Hey, I'm a Stone Age guy.
Because you picked up the Here we go.
How do I do?
Here we got Drew and Vloggy in their natural habit. It's almost mating season here, so you'll be hearing a lot of noises. Drew, you ever heard my... you must have heard my Mario impression. Of course you have. But you ever heard me do the Scooby-Doo impression? You ever heard me do Scooby-Doo? Yeah.
I don't think so. Here.
Hold on. Whoa!
Whoa! That's a good Scooby laugh.
What? That sounds good. That sounds like Shaggy. Can you do it again?
Like yoink, Scoob, the ghosts are coming.
Oh my goodness, that sounds so good. We need to record a skit or something. All right, are you crafting your sword?
Wait, where is sword? How do I do things?
Let me just.
Oh, I'm in my thing. Never mind.
So open the book, and then you have the icons of sword.
Yeah, there we go.
You need to make a sword.
I don't have. I need to make a stick. Where is a stick?
Yes, you have also the crafting recipe for a stick. I think. Hold on. Does it tell you how to make a stick? It should. If it doesn't, yes, it does. It's the third option where there's like the bucket of lava and the apple.
I see. Okay, so I made a stick.
There you go.
Now I want to make like a diamond axe. I've seen that in people play. Where's my cool weapons?
Yes, but to get a diamond axe, we need to find diamond first. If someone speaks English better than me, please say to Vloggy that Spanish expression, Vloggy, estás muy mal. Not muy mal. You're very bad. Muy mal. Very bad.
Muy mal. Muy mal.
Vloggy está muy mal. It's me. I'm bad. That's Spanish.
I see. Well, Senorita Sakura says we sound great as Shaggy and Scoobs. Look at me, I have a sword. Where's that sheep?
Did you make a pickaxe? Did you make a pickaxe as well?
No,
no, come back, dude. I wouldn't suggest that. I wouldn't suggest you do that. No, come back. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh my goodness, they're right behind our door.
I'm a killer.
No, don't. No, don't. No. She means you are bad, as in bad in the head. Ah, okay. Está muy mal. All right. So let's sleep. True. Let's sleep. You go on the ugly sheeted.
Oh, I gotta sleep in your dirty bed. You soiled this bed.
Shut in my bed.
Look at my sword sticking out.
Oh man. I'm gonna die. Did you make a pickaxe?
You gave me a stone axe. Is that the same thing?
Ah, yeah, that's right. Yeah, I don't need to make one actually. That's right. As for me, right? Do you want to step outside? Let's see what's what.
Oh, you trying to fight? That sounded like a threat.
No. Be careful.
Oh, spiders out here, man.
Yeah, spiders don't do anything. Don't attack you during the day. They become very passive. All right. Skeletons, they will take shelter from the sun in the trees. Oh, there we go.
Will they shoot you?
Yes, they will.
Hey, yes, they will.
Careful, yes.
He walked out and lit himself on fire. That was pretty funny, actually.
No, I'm gonna die. No, I'm gonna die.
Doggy, no!
I need food. I need food.
Did you die?
No, I'm on one heart. I'm on just one heart.
Well, I collected some bone.
That's
where are
good.
you? I have food, buddy.
Can I get some food,
Where'd you
please?
go?
Oh, there I am. There I am.
Here, have food, buddy.
Please, I'm hungry. Nom 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 nom. Nom nom
Yum
nom.
yum 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 yum.
Nom nom nom. You gave me all your food? Did you give me all of it?
I don't know how you give X amount. So
let me just give it back to you.
Gave everything.
I just ate 2. I'm gonna give it back. Hold on. Boom.
Boom.
Boom. All right. So you know what I'm gonna do
Like
now?
some wood.
I'm gonna pick up some sand. I'm gonna harvest some sand, and I'm gonna cook it in the furnace to make. What do you think makes?
Hey, if you let a tree, these trees grow bigger over time. Like, should we let this tree grow, or is this as big as it'll get?
They just reach one size. They reach a random size. So what happens? What do you think happens if I put sand in the furnace?
Sand in the furnace?
Yeah, if I
sand
cook
doesn't
sand.
furnace well. I would think nothing, but
no, something is made. Something we can make something with sand if we put it.
Vloggy got bone. Yeah, Vloggy's got bone. All right. What is this? What did I pick up? Oh, rotten flesh. So much rotten flesh. I picked up bones.
Yeah, you can eat rotten flesh, but
anything?
as a temporary food, because I mean, it I'm gonna use the word quenches your food. But
does bone do anything?
yeah, you can convert the bone into bone meal. You can craft it into bone meal if you put it in your crafting block. There's your crafting thingy.
And then what does that do?
And then you can use it on saplings to make trees grow faster.
Oh.
Yeah.
Fancy. I have cobblestone. Did you give me that? What do I do with cobblestone?
Yeah, the cobblestone is used to make tools and whatever, really.
We should make like a second story to our house.
I was thinking that actually. I was just thinking that. But for now, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do for now?
What are you gonna do?
Oh, we need some wood. Do you have wood?
I have like 45 woods.
Can I get some wood, please? And
look how much wood do you need?
I don't know.
All of it? I'll just give you all of it.
Just give me
whatever.
Okay, thanks. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a chest so we can store stuff in it. I'm gonna make a chest real quick. There we go. I placed the chest on the floor, and I'll leave some stuff over there if you want to have some. All right, so I'm gonna make.
I'm gonna put rotten flesh in here. I don't want that. Seeds. I don't know what we do with that.
So I'm gonna make an axe real quick, so that I can.
I'll go chop down some woods while we're.
I'm gonna make some windows.
While you're doing that.
Oh. Some windows.
Back up, horse. My tree.
All right, so maybe something like this. Let's see. 2 and 2.
So good, Minecraft.
Looks good. So we got one over
My
there.
head hurts from so much wood between you two. Sakura can't handle all our wood.
Vloggy, are we waiting for another tequila stream? Forget it. No, it's true. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen sometime.
What are you doing? Hey.
I'm gonna do a stream challenge, a Resident Evil 2 challenge this week for sure.
What are you challenging?
I don't know. I got habaneros though.
Oh.
So maybe. Have you seen the one where I ate a habanero every single time I got damaged in Resident Evil?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That was a good. That was a good one. And then your shots. Oh man. I wish I. Oh no, I'd lose. Never mind.
So if you cook sand in the furnace, you make glass. That's a real thing, huh? That's a fact.
Oh, I can tame Sakura and ride her around. Is that what you're saying?
You can tame a
horse. How do I tame? Here says I can tame this horse. Where is that horse?
Let's tame the horse and name it Sakura.
Oh, oh, horsey! Oh, here. I'll put that and then some bone meal on it. Oh, that's a magical tree. So good at this game.
Yeah, bye.
Wait, where'd that stupid horse go? You're mine, horsey. I'm gonna call you
Sakura.
Sugar Butt.
Sakura.
Yeah, Sugar Butt. That's my pet name for something.
All right.
Hey, horse. Oh, you're like a cow or something. What is this? Can you tame a cow? Cow.
No, you know, but if you kill cows, we get a bunch of steak.
Oh, we get something? I'm killing it already.
Yeah, kill cows, kill pigs, so we can start making foods. Yeah.
We need food, and you must die for my cause. Yeah.
Sooner or later, we're gonna run out of animals on this island, and we're gonna have to start growing our food.
Oh, that's bull. Hey, piggy.
No, it's not bull. It's pig.
Ah.
See what I did there?
You made a joke there.
I made the joke. I made a terrible joke.
Sugar Butt.
He has done
Where's my horse? Where's Sugar Butt?
With rocket launchers, right, Vloggy? Yes, I have. Oh, man. But
where'd that horse go? It's just a tiny island. How did it get away from me?
maybe he despawned. It happens. If you don't stay close, they'll despawn. Oh, I found an apple. True probably dropped it. Thank you.
Oh, probably. No, Freddy, you can't. I don't know who you are.
What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened?
I don't know. Some guy I don't know asked to join, and I said no because I don't know who you are.
He will destroy. He will destroy our house. Our beautiful.
I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this for viewers. Oh, there's Sugar Butt. Hey, Sugar Butt. How do I make Sugar Butt my horse?
You need to feed him. I think sugar. I'm not so sure. I think it's sugar.
I have. Is it really? I have an apple. Hey, horsey.
I think they will eat apples as well. You just grab the apple and right-click on it.
I did it, and he seemed to eat it. Hey, you want some raw beef, horsey?
Let's see, hold on.
No, he doesn't want raw beef.
Yeah, he did eat it as well.
Yeah, but he's just. That's it. Want a bone?
No, sugar. They need sugar. I think it's sugar that they need to have.
It really gets sugar, and I named him Sugar Butt before I knew that. I am awesome. I'm so good at Minecraft. I literally called him Sugar Butt before I knew they like shit. I'm so good at this game.
How are we gonna grab the horse? I mean, it's not going anywhere. I think. Oh, cows! Cows! We need cows because I need to make pants.
Oh,
I need to craft pants. I need pants.
Plants are good. Well, I'm gonna plant some saplings here.
Alright, I think I can make pants.
Oh, there's a bunch of saplings on the ground.
Hold on, I'm gonna make myself a sword. Oh, we got a cow inside the house. You're my prisoner now.
Whoa, why is my screen? Oh, my screen was freaking out. My character was on drugs.
We have a cow in the house. You are gonna die, Mr. Cow. It's a Miss Cow, actually. Moo, sucker. Moo for me. Moo for me.
Moo for me.
For me.
Well, that's a big tree there. You handle that tree. All right. Oh, hey, I'm on the horse. Hey.
Yeah, but he's gonna kick you off. He's not gonna be happy with you riding the horse. Yeah, you need to tame the horse before they can actually.
Sugar Butt, I'm just trying to be your friend. Let me try and find some apples in this tree.
All right, I'm gonna cook some.
It's looking pretty dark outside right now.
What? It's not dark. I'm gonna start cooking some more steak.
You making some dinner?
I'm making some steak. It's in the furnace, so whenever you
want.
Oh,
you're the man.
Oh, yeah, bye-bye. Alright, so... Oh, look at you, tearing down the tree. Are you using the axe? You should be using the axe, huh?
Yeah. I mean...
Okay, good. Did you pick up any leather, by any chance?
No, I have no leather.
No leather.
Oh, hey.
Can I kill the horse?
Cheers. Hey, don't you kill Sugar Butt. Hey, she said to just ride it a couple times and it'll love me.
No, but I think... No, first I think you need to give it... I think you need to give it, I think you need
give it an apple. Sugar Butt, be my friend. Hey! Hey, you trying to steal Sugar Butt from me?
Oh man, I got the horse! I got the horse!
You stole Sugar Butt! Oh, that...
No, that's fine, that's fine.
No more Minecraft
off the horse
ever again.
No, but you need to make a saddle, so there's no point. No, you can have the horse, you can still have it, it's fine.
No, Sugar Butt's dead to me, you stole him.
No, you can still ride the horse. But the thing is, you still need a saddle to drive him around. Just because I can get on top of him doesn't mean... So, can I craft a saddle? Hold on. Let me see if I can craft a saddle real quick.
I'm gonna get the rest of this tree here.
It's been ages since
my axe is about to die.
Yeah, you just come back.
Oh my god, Vloggy is riding me.
Giggity.
Giggity.
Alright, let me just check real quick. Alright, I got us some steak. There's some steak in the furnace for you to have if you want.
Okay.
If you're going hungry. You notice the bar of hunger and the bar of health. Yeah, at the bottom. You notice...
Oh yeah, my character's pretty hungry.
Yeah. So, yeah, can I craft a saddle perhaps? I need to craft a saddle. How do I make a saddle? I don't think I've unlocked it though.
I'm gonna come back inside. It's getting a little dark outside.
It's getting dark in here.
So take off all your clothes.
Giggity.
Vloggy's already ahead of the game, taking off those clothes. Where's the steak at?
Yeah, in the chest? Yeah, in the furnace.
Oh, in the furnace.
Yep.
Oh hey.
It's still hot.
I took all of them.
I don't think I have enough to make a pair of pants. Do I? No, I don't have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 5. Alright.
Oh,
you made the hole in our house.
Wait, how do I eat this again? Oh, right click.
Right click, yeah, just hold right click.
Let's see. What do we do about that hole in our house?
Okay, according to Cheer, you have leather. You're lying to me. You probably don't even
leather?
Yeah, you probably don't even.
Oh, I do have leather. How did I get that?
You probably killed a cow or two. Can I have that, please? I need to make pants. Not that. That's steak.
I'm gonna put this in. Yeah. What do you want? Oh, the leather.
You haven't said anything about my windows. Look, I made so much effort.
Oh yeah! How'd you even do the windows? Where'd you get glass?
6. I don't have enough still. I think. Hold on. Do I have enough?
That's a sweet window job.
I'm missing one. I need one more. I need one more to make pants.
I don't have any more leather.
That's fine. Let's take a nap.
Oh, hey, my
sleep in my stained bed.
Hey, you and my clean bed. I gotta sleep in dirt bed over here.
Right before we started the game, I was just modifying my skin a little bit, just tweaking a few things. Some things were not right, and then I decided that at the bottom, on the back of my pants, I'm gonna do a little brown stain.
Did you?
It's not there yet. No, it's not there. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do a little tiny
That'll be awesome.
speck of brown. All right, so. Shall we go mining? Do you want to go mining?
Ooh. My axe is like gonna die. Is that a thing?
All right. So, do you have wood? No. So what I'm gonna need you to do. What we need is a pickaxe, and some food. Make sure you have some pickaxe, some food, and plenty of wood, basically.
Oh, damn it!
Vloggy, will you play The Sims? Vloggy, will you play The Sims? Imagine Vloggy's life. Actually, Cheer. Tru plays Sims. So if you want to see some Sims action, go to his channel. It was funny yesterday. We made a lot of wahoo. Wahoo!
Oh man, we woohooed so hard. Okay, what do I do again?
Craft a pickaxe so we can go mining. I'm telling you to craft a pickaxe, and I don't even have one. Let me just make one as well. All right, let's go. And make sure you have some wood as well, because when stuff breaks, we're gonna have to replace it. Make new ones.
So a stone is the best one we can make.
Yes, so far, yeah. But then we're gonna start finding iron and stuff, so we're gonna be okay. And whatever you don't need right now, if you have like stuff that you don't need.
Oh wait,
like, I don't need.
What's the difference between a stone axe and a stone pickaxe? Is one better than the other?
Stone axe is for wood. Pickaxe is for stone. So the axe is just for chopping down trees.
Oh.
I just
gotta make a new axe.
I have 15 saplings on me. I'm gonna place them down.
Oh, now I need more sticks.
I'm gonna be surrounded by. We're gonna be surrounded by trees now.
How do I make sticks? Where'd that go?
You place 2 planks on top of each other.
2 planks.
Hey, Merry Gamer, welcome.
Okay.
Thank you so much for dropping by.
Get a stone hoe.
Ho ho ho. That's not the way to go.
That sounds like someone I know. What do I do with a broken stone axe?
Look at Cheer. Cheer. I keep saying Cheer. I keep reading Cheer. Cheer's username. I have to say Cheer. Look what he did. Look what Tru did. He chopped down half a tree and he just left it hanging.
It was getting dark, man. I wanted to.
All right, are you ready? We go mining a little bit.
I have a stone axe.
All right. So,
and a stone
did you make a pickaxe? All right, that's right. Did you close the door? No.
Wait, which one do we want?
Close the door. You opened it again. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go find a nice cave so we can start mining. I'm trying to think. So do you have food on you?
Yes.
All right, let's go adventuring. Let's go find some
adventure.
Follow me. Can you like memorize where we're living? Oh, there's a crafting bench here. This must be yours.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna take that with me.
Yes, we're totally over in this general area.
All right, let's go. Do you think we can remember the way the way we came from? Hey, Indigo.
Yeah, we'll just go back the way we came. I foresee no problems.
Yeah, it is a private server. It is a private server.
Whoa, is that a broken mountain in the distance over there?
Yeah, we're gonna go to the mine.
Is there a nuke or something? Oh, there it is. Finally. Well, that looks fucking scary.
Let's go to the mountain of death.
Oh god, I got my axe, and I got my sword, and I have my battle sword. Meh.
Yeah, I get judo chop.
Yeah, I don't need anything. Judo chop only run. World record speed Minecraft runs. That's all I do.
Wow, these are beautiful mountains, actually. I like this area.
Yeah, these are crazy.
Alright, I found some coal. I already see some coal over here. We should have crafted a boat. This is taking us forever to swim.
Oh yeah, how do you make boats?
We could have made a boat. Womp, womp, womp.
Wow. Oh, there's a bunch of trees over there. Look at that island.
I'm just gonna quickly mine this. So whenever you see the coal, mine it, because coal is a very important resource. And I found some coal over here. Come over here. Get over here.
Get over here.
Alright, there it is. There's some coal. I'm gonna place a torch because it's really dark here, actually.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's just mine this area real quick. Let's mine some.
Wait, so I use the pickaxe or the axe?
Use the pickaxe now. From now on, everything you can mine. When it comes to stone, use the pickaxe. The axe is just for wood.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm getting a lot of coal up in here.
Yeah. You see the little shiny orbs that you get when you mine...
yeah, what's that all
That's experience. It starts going up every single time you mine. For example, me, at the bottom it says 5. I'm about to reach 6 now.
Oh, mine's 3.
Yeah. With experience, eventually you'll be able to enchant items.
Oh.
Alright, so where are you? Oh, okay, you're up there. Okay. We need
deep in this mountain. Coal everywhere.
Coal everywhere. Alright. Don't die, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Are you gonna kill me?
No. I don't do that.
You're one of those Minecraft players. I've seen you on the internet. Okay, we're all done. Hey!
What? This way.
Me down.
Man, this is gonna take forever though. Let's craft some boats. Let's craft some boats.
We need like a speedboat.
Yeah, let's make a boat. I'm gonna place your workbench that we found earlier. And
I have one?
The one that we dropped earlier. Alright, so I'm gonna make... Let's make some boats. I don't even know how to make a boat. Hold on.
Oh,
there it is. Boom.
Oh,
we need
dark
some sticks.
ore boat.
Apparently we need some sticks.
Oh, we don't need dark ore. Where do you get that?
There we go.
Oh.
I made a boat. Did you make a boat?
This boat is changing all the time.
Yeah, because you can do it with different kinds of wood.
Oh, I see. Okay, there we go. Got a boat.
You got a boat? Nice.
I got a boat.
I'm gonna take back my workbench because we might need it later.
So I just put the boat in the water. Hey!
No, this is
Whoa.
All right, hold on.
I fell out of my boat.
Don't worry, don't get ahead of yourself. Just come back on the ground and just right-click on it.
I know that's my boat.
There you go.
Okay, there we go.
And then you just steer. Well, this way, don't go too fast because if you hit rocks.
Speed mode. I got it, Shira. I'm an expert. I made my boat.
Make sure you don't hit the walls, you know, because otherwise it will crash and it will get destroyed.
Oh, my game just froze.
What? No, really?
Oh, no, it's back. I don't know.
Now, to get out of the boat, you just press shift.
Oh, what are all these horrible creatures in the water here?
Squids.
Oh, Jesus.
Look at Tru.
Ooh, twerking.
Alright, so let's leave the boats over there. We don't need the boats for now. Just leave them there. How are we going to climb up here? Maybe from here?
Like men.
Like men.
That's how.
Shaving
men
and
climb
stuff.
up
Men shaving and stuff. And hunting and spitting.
Curse words and dip.
Yeah. Oh, look what we found! Look what we found! Come over here. Look
what is that?
Oh.
Is that gold?
No, as if we're gonna find gold all the way up here. Do you see what they are?
What the hell are these faces?
You don't see what they are.
Oh, these pumpkins?
Yeah.
What the hell do we do with pumpkins?
Booga booga booga! Ah! Booga 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 booga!
Where'd my pumpkin go? Let me see. Oh! Vloggy.
What?
I am a pumpkin.
But you can't see properly with them.
No, you can't. That's terrible.
Oh man! All right, I'm just gonna kill some cows. Let's kill these cows because we need the leather and we need the steak.
We need your delicious meats, cows.
And even the leather.
It's for nature. Nature wants us to have these. This is a tough cow.
There's another cow over here.
Whoa, there's a whole bunch of cows up here.
Let's
They're
go get
mountain
them.
cows.
Let's get them.
Cow, 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 cow.
Come here,
cow,
you
cow.
cow.
Cow. Ooh, 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 come here, cow. You and your cow friends, you're dead.
There you go. I got 12 leather. Wow, nice.
You and your cow friends are dead. You got any idea who you're stealing from? What movie's that from?
I don't know. No idea.
But I added cow instead of you and your friends.
Mama had a chicken. Mama had a cow. You know that show? Mama had a chicken. Mama had a cow. No, Mama had the chicken. Can you come this way? Can you follow me? Where are you?
I don't know where you are.
Come on. I think I see your username. Hold on. Because your username can be seen through. It's getting dark, Tru. We need to find each other. This way, right behind you. Right behind you, buddy.
Are you on a mountain? Whoa,
this way. Come over here.
Where are we going?
I see a nice cabin over here. It looks safe.
Do we want this coal?
No, forget about the coal now. Let's forget about the coal. Let's start finding some shelter. Because it's getting dark.
Okay.
I'm gonna kill this cow in a sec. Real quick. Real quick.
You can combine pumpkin with torch to make a jack-o'-lantern.
Yes,
here
yes.
says.
If you put a torch inside, yeah, you can. Alright, let's go this way. I see this cave over here. Hold on. We need to go up here.
This is cow territory, man.
Yeah, this is cow territory. It's true. Alright, let's go this way. I saw like a cave here somewhere. I don't know. But it looks...
Are you sure it was a cave?
It looked like a cave, but I don't see anything.
Oh, wait, maybe. It kind of goes, oh. It's dark in here, man. Where'd you go? I'm scared and alone.
I don't know where you are. I don't see you.
I'm in a cave, man.
Oh, there you are.
Over here.
All right, let's stay here for the night. Hold on. Let me just place a torch.
Oh, nope. It's just...
it's
an open both ways.
I'm gonna close it off.
This hole goes both ways.
I'm gonna close it off so we don't get followed by creatures and stuff, so...
Yeah, good call.
And this way we'll know it's the way out anyway, so... So this is gonna be our shelter for the night.
Alright.
All right.
Shut this way off? Or...
Now, do you have any torches?
I don't know how you make torches.
You just place one stick and one coal on top of it on the crafting recipe.
Where's the crafting table?
Don't go into the darkness, be careful. No, you don't need the crafting table for this one, actually. You don't need the crafting table for this.
Oh.
I just realized
So
there's another opening here. Whoops.
One coal and one stick?
Yeah.
That didn't do anything.
Put it on top of each other. One stick and one coal on top of it. In the crafting square thingy. One stick and one coal on top of it. You must be doing it wrong. You must be doing it wrong.
One stick and then a coal on top of it.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
I made 4 torches.
There you go. Yeah, that's right. So obviously we're gonna need more than that, but at least.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, I just realized we don't have any wood left now.
There we go.
That's okay. All right, so I'm gonna mine down. Maybe we can find some resources, because we need resources. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start mining this way. Hey, you wanna do?
I got it, cheer.
You wanna mine with me downstairs? Let's keep going down.
Go down to hell.
Yeah. Every now and then place a torch because it gets dark, obviously. If you find anything unusual, go ahead and ask me.
just scream.
Don't mine straight down. Always make a stair, okay? Always make stairs so you can go back up.
What could possibly go wrong mining straight down?
You might fall into a pit of lava. Alright, so we're going down. Now, the deeper we go, giggity, the deeper we go, the more resources we start finding, like diamonds and iron and gold. I love gold!
I love gold!
Gold member! Oh, you found some coal over there. I see you found coal. Nice.
Oh, yeah. Bunch of coal here.
Keep going down.
Look back up. Oh my god.
People always say don't mine straight down. I never died once from doing it. You were just lucky then. Or you haven't played Minecraft long enough. Because I've been playing it since 2010, Minecraft. It was in alpha back in the day. It wasn't mainstream or anything. It wasn't mainstream. Oh, look at... Hold on. No, I thought you found. Yes, you did.
Hey,
That's
gold.
iron. No, that's iron ore. That's actually iron ore. So in that stone, yeah, in that stone.
I want gold.
In that stone, there's iron, but you need to smelt it in the. All
right, let me collect all this goodness first.
Yeah, if you smelt the iron ore in the. My goodness, the furnace. Couldn't say the word. In the furnace, you'll get iron ingots. Good job, man. You found iron before I did. What? Aren't we gonna find the cave? We're not gonna find
my diamond?
Now, I know the level in which we find diamond. If you press F3 on your keyboard, you get like a bunch of numbers. If you press F3 on your keyboard,
oh yeah.
We have to look. There's one on the left hand side. It says XYZ. Do you see that? XYZ.
Oh yeah.
We need to look at the Y coordinate, the one in the middle. It's probably around 56 right now, 57, 56. Once that goes down to level 13 or 12, we will be at a diamond level, basically. So.
Oh, more of that ingot stuff.
Yep, gonna place more. Ooh, more iron. Yeah, I need some iron as well. Ooh, more iron. Iron is a very good resource.
My pickaxe is gonna break here.
No worries. Here's what we're gonna do now. It's broke.
It's broke.
Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna craft a let me just place down the workbench real quick. Hold on. Oh, you missed some iron right behind you as well.
Oh yeah. Well, my thing's broke now.
I'm gonna craft a furnace real quick. I'm gonna make a furnace, a temporary furnace. So place your iron in there, and place some coal.
Okay,
as well.
I made a new pickaxe. Well, what do you want me to do?
Yeah, but the pickaxe you made is another stone pickaxe, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna make.
We can make a better one.
We're gonna make an iron one now as well. Yeah. So put the iron. Put the iron in the furnace and put some coal, and it starts smelting.
Okay. Smelting.
Smelting gold.
In my smelting room.
I smell gold.
I had my member was covered in unfortunate smelting accident.
Unfortunate smoke on a pancake.
Blitz.
All right, so take a good look at my underpants because I'm about to put some pants on now. All right, I'm gonna.
What's all?
Say goodbye to my booty. I'm gonna put some pants on now.
Smelting so much iron.
There we go. I got pants now.
Oh, I don't even recognize you anymore.
There we go. I got pants now. I'm done walking around naked. All right. So what you can do now is you can pick up some iron ingots, and the same way you crafted a pickaxe. Oh, there you go. All right. There you go. The same way you crafted a pickaxe, but do it with iron ingots instead of stone. You know the T-shape.
Oh, an iron pickaxe.
Yeah, and it's faster to mine, and it mines other resources now.
It says I can't do it.
You can, yeah. You know the T-shape.
Oh, I need sticks.
Yeah. Do you need any sticks? I have.
Actually, I just made some.
I don't even have enough, actually. I need to be careful.
Iron pickaxe, baby.
I'm gonna put my iron as well in there to smelt.
Okay.
I'm gonna make an iron pick as well.
Isn't it iron pick?
Yeah. So I made one for myself as well. I'm just gonna leave it smelting there. We're gonna come back up here anyway.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, let's keep going down. Baby, are you down?
Down.
I'm gonna destroy my last stone pickaxe real quick. Don't forget to place the torch every now and then. Oh, I broke it.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna
Torch.
There we go. Once we reach level 12, something like that, we'll start mining straight instead of down.
Okay. Well, what happens if you go to the bottom? Is there good stuff down there?
You reach bedrock, lava, so it would be very pointless at that point.
Oh. Put it on there. Getting a little dark here. Doop. Where'd you go? Oh. Like Vloggy abandoned me in the abyss.
Give me a server so I can hunt you down. Red told me to plan. Maybe one day, Feisty. Not. It's still a brand new. It's still a brand new server. I'm just teaching I'm just teaching our buddy Tru how to play Minecraft. He's a total noob. Well, I mean, I'm a noob as well. Not just not a total noob. I'm a noob as well. Just not a total noob. Oh, I just picked up some flint. Nice. Now I can make flint and steel.
Sure.
Now
Hey, I don't know what that means.
We can. Ooh, coal. Coal.
Oh, there's like a hole down here, man.
A hole? Nice. You find like a path. You found like a path.
Ah!
Careful.
I'm in a dark cave.
Yeah, be careful, buddy. Monsters, come back here. Don't go there on your own.
I don't know where I am and what I'm doing.
Come on.
I need torches.
I'm
For the love of God, give me torches.
Well, you can make torches.
I'm doing it right now. I'm talking to myself.
Be careful, buddy. Be careful, because monsters are in the caves, huh? So.
Oh,
especially
there we go.
Oh, you fell down. You went down straight.
Yeah. Yeah, I told you there was a hole here, man.
All right, I'm making a pathway. Hold on, so you can climb back up. Hold on, I'm coming.
Got my trusty sword out.
I'm coming, my buddy. I'm coming. All right, hold on.
I don't know where I am.
I'm gonna place some gravel. Hold on.
Torch over here.
Careful now.
There's a creepy little guy. Oh, he's a creepy little one. Ah!
He's
a tiny little. He's a tiny zombie man.
Ah, it's a baby zombie. Come on, it's just a baby zombie.
Hey, he's
don't kill Tru! Don't kill Tru! You son of a biscuit!
Terrible.
No!
Wow, these zombies are really tough, and he's totally gonna kill me.
Very fast.
Why is this guy not dying yet? He's gonna kill me.
Stay out of my way. Stay out of my way. I'm gonna kill him. I killed him.
Jesus.
Woof. Are you damaged? Are you?
I'm gonna eat some mutton here.
Eat food?
Oh,
yeah.
that doesn't heal me. Oh, there it goes. My health's going up.
Yeah, you do that. I got scared for a sec because they're very fast. Even I have a hard time.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're joking. I know.
Oh.
You were joking, Feisty. I know that. All right, so hold on. We're making a stairway here. Hold on. We need to make sure that we have a way back up again. Because if we don't, I hear zombies again. Careful, buddy.
What?
I hear zombies.
I like my volume turned off.
All right, so this should be okay.
Actually, I don't hear anything now that I think about it.
I hear a zombie. All right, so this. I'm gonna make. We need to climb up. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but.
I have no game volume now that I think. I don't know how that works.
I need to make a way so we can come back up because. Come on, man. God dang it! I don't know how we're gonna climb back up, like this. Hold on.
Well,
this,
I mean, we would have eventually gone down into this cave, right?
Hold on.
Because it leads right to it. Let's just make this out of the way.
Right, I don't know what I did.
I don't know you did either. Here, like.
All right, so
this
I
out of the
think.
way.
Okay, I think we're okay now. Not exactly, actually. Hold on.
Look.
I'm gonna place some. No, don't waste wood. Don't waste wood. If you know what I'm saying. All right, let's go. All right, we're fine. We're fine. Let's leave it like that. We got a way back home. All right, nice. Now, let's look around. Let's see what's what over here. Whoa! Did you get damaged? No, I just heard you get damaged. All right, you just fell off the. You got some.
Oh, I guess I fell.
Yeah, I heard you getting damaged. Oh wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness!
What is that? What is that?
You see webs? There's webs. I see webs and.
Webs? Is that bad?
Well, that means there's spiders around.
Oh, whoa! An arrow just hit the wall here.
I fell! I fell!
I'm coming, Vloggy. There's a zombie next to you.
I don't see him. Where?
He's behind you. I'm attacking him.
Stop it! Where? All right,
he fell down.
All right.
Oh my God.
My goodness.
He's trying to have a Vloggy sandwich.
All right, we have to find a way to. Hold on. This is not safe, huh? This is not gonna be good. Oh, I fell again! Oh my goodness, I fell!
I'm coming! Oh, it's a lot of bad guys. That's a lot of bad guys.
Oh my goodness! Tru, you shouldn't have followed me!
Die, you zombie bastards!
Stay out of my way. I'm gonna try to kill them. Stay out of my way.
I'm gonna die. I'm definitely gonna die.
I killed it!
Yep, I died.
You died? No! No, there's spiders in this!
Yeah.
No! How are we gonna get
I'm back at home.
Is it night out?
No, it's daytime.
I'm gonna get rid of the zombies. I'm gonna teleport you here if I can. I'm not sure if I can. I'm gonna try.
Okay, I'll hang out in our home. I don't hear the gameplay out of it. Yeah, I just realized that here. I thought I turned it down, but it's off completely.
All right.
I have it on everything.
I'm gonna kill all the zombies. I'm gonna find a safe spot, and then I'm gonna teleport you over here.
Okay.
There's one thing that concerns me though. I don't know if your stuff fell into the lava. It hasn't actually. We're good. Alright, hold on. Let me just eat up real quick and... Alright. I'm gonna teleport. I'm gonna see if I can actually. So, TP. Through Nightfall. No! Oh. No! Oh. I teleported to you! Oh. No!
Vloggy, hang your head in shame.
I don't even know how to do that then. How do I teleport? Oh man. We lost everything.
All our stuff.
All our stuff. I mean, what we can do, we can try to go back. You want to try go back?
Alright. Oh god.
Alright, we need to learn.
Start our adventure.
I need to learn how to teleport you to me. Let me see how to do that. TP.
Well, I'm gonna get a new sugar butt since you stole my last sugar butt. Hey, TP, sugar butt.
VloggyBuddy. Through Nightfall. Ah. Oh, hold on. I actually teleported to you again.
Sugar butt.
So teleport.
Yeah, you did.
Teleport through Nightfall to VloggyBuddy. Does it work like that? Yeah. Did I?
It's other horses. No, I'm over here still.
To Nightfall. Oh, through Nightfall to Through Nightfall. I mean...
You teleported me to me?
Yeah, sorry about that. Let's see.
How did you make this horse your friend?
That's how it's done.
Ah,
oh,
hey.
Man. I'm stupid. Well, at least I have my stuff.
Yeah.
Let's go find your stuff again. Let's see if we can... I don't even remember where we went. Which way we went to... Which way did we go? Was it this way?
Immediately. Yeah, because there was a weird... Yeah, there's that tall place off in the distance.
Let's see if we can find it again. Let's go. Oh, we'll have to swim it again.
Does the stuff stay there forever?
Huh? No, it has 5 minutes before it despawns.
Sakura, every time you say sugar butt, I thought you were talking to me. My little sugar butt.
Oh, man.
Sakura, where were you? You could have saved us if you played this game.
Oh, man. So how's your Outbreak going? Are you enjoying Outbreak Online, True?
Outbreak Online? Are you making a funny joke right now?
Yes. A bad one.
Making a funny joke.
Because we have Outbreak. Me, Sakura, Cheer. We all have Outbreak.
Oh, you all have Outbreak. Must be nice to have magical working copies of Outbreak.
So the thing is, it's one of these two, and I'm gonna let you decide. Either me, Sakura, Cheer are geniuses. It's either that, or you're just stupid. I'm kidding.
I'm gonna go and say you, Sakura and Cheer, are lucky. Your computers just magically work.
So you're saying that our computers
so good.
Your computer is so good that it doesn't work properly.
It doesn't accept that inferior technology. Hey, our boat should be over there, right?
Yeah, it's this way actually.
Yeah, that's where we made anchor.
Do you think you think we can get there before 5 minutes are up? I don't think so, but we're gonna try.
Yes.
Come on.
It's right there. That's the mountain straight ahead. To the right.
I see the boats. I see the boats.
Yeah, our boats are over there, and then we made a right. We headed that way a little bit-ish, right?
Cheer is like, I have no idea what I did, so he's like, I cannot take credits for being genius.
I don't know. I mean, I've listened to Cheer and Sakura and you on your ways. I've used different files in different ways.
I don't see the
different
boats.
orders.
Oh, the boats are over there, actually. Oops.
Yeah, our boats are way over there, but we didn't end up over there. We just stopped there and then we went up this way, right? I mean, eventually.
I have no idea.
I'm going in the direction I think we ended up in.
All right, I'll see you there. And yeah, I mean, and the thing is, both of us, all of us actually. No, I was the only one that had a different kind of hair than you guys. Mine was just loading, it reaches 24%, and then it just dies.
Yeah, that's like a better one to be able to fix, because that's a known problem.
Oh, yeah.
Mine was just, hey, I'm just not going to load forever and ever and ever. Okay, I found our place. It's all blocked off.
All right, just start digging the hole and stuff, and we're going to go down. Maybe we can do it. Stuff despawns and like...
Going down, down, baby. Oh, straight in the rain.
Let's go. I want to get your stuff this way.
Hey, thief.
No, I want to get there faster than you, and then...
Vloggy's stealing my stuff.
If I can get there faster and pick up your stuff, then I can teleport you to me, and then that's our fairness with the iron. So
I'm so fast, baby.
I got stuck. Careful, buddy, careful. I don't know what spawned in the meantime. So careful.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go in
we fell
first.
into the hole over here.
We need to make some armor, yo. We're
and
warriors.
Then we fell down here. Whoa, there we go. Your stuff is still here. Come over here. Actually, I'm gonna teleport you right over. Alright, there it is. It's in the corner. You see it?
Oh yeah.
Pick it up.
Hey, what's this blood stuff? I want that.
Blood. It's not blood. It's called.
I want this blood rock.
It's called. What's it called? It's called.
It's called redstone, and now I have it all because I want that sweet, sweet blood.
I'm trying to block off this water over here because it's causing current and it's not safe.
What does redstone do? Oh, my experience starts over?
Oh, whoa, I got hit by something. Help me, please.
Wait,
I got hit by something.
Wait.
There it is. There's a skeleton.
You stole my stuff. That wasn't all my stuff.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
I don't even have a sword.
All right,
I don't even have a sword.
Whoa!
No! I'm gonna grab all the stuff. I'm gonna grab all the stuff.
I'm gonna teleport. I'm gonna teleport to you now. Hold on. I'm gonna teleport to you.
Okay. Wow,
So,
you had a whole lot of stuff. I have like glass.
VloggyBuddy to True Nightfall.
On me.
So this is how it should be now. I came.
Oh, there you are. Here, let me give a bunch of your stuff back here.
Yes, please. Oh,
your pants.
you just killed a shiny ratata. What? Shiny ratata?
Ratata.
What? I'm back without pants. No, you saw my unmentionables.
I gave you your pants.
Thank you. It's nice to have pants again. All right, so
saw your erection. Why'd you have an erection so quick?
Because dying.
Wait, here's your iron pickaxe.
Dying gets me going.
Dying, really? Woo!
First, where's my pick? Oh, there we go. All right, so we need to be careful. Make sure you don't fall into the lava.
I had a sword before we did this, and I don't have a sword now. I really need like a weapon.
All right, let's set up a base of operate. Actually,
what is this we're on right here? Is this like special stuff?
This is called obsidian. This is called obsidian.
That sounds special. Should we take it?
You cannot mind. We need a diamond pickaxe for that.
Oh yeah, it's not doing anything.
So, don't fall into the lava, True. Okay, be careful. I'm gonna do this.
Thank you for that educational.
Oh, watch out! There's a creeper in there. There's a creeper. I see a creeper.
Oh, yep.
I lost my torches. Do you have my torches?
Well, I have 4 torches.
It's too dark. We need to place some torches here because I can't.
Here we go.
Can't see.
Torch time, baby.
There we go. All right. So I see. Hello, creeper. Hello, creeper.
I have an arrow.
I see the creeper. Creeper.
It's getting hot in here.
Come over here. Come over here. Whoa!
Thank you, Vloggy.
Careful. There's a skeleton. I think. Oh, he died.
Yeah, he died. Exploded.
All right. So we need more torches. Can you craft some more or something?
Yeah.
Man, it's so dark in here. We need to be careful. It's so dark.
Oops, I keep doing that backwards. Okay, I got a bunch of torches.
Can I have some, please?
Here, just take all these torches. I have way more.
Thank you very much. I hear stuff. Whoa. Somebody's shooting. Careful, True. Careful.
Ah!
I'm gonna get him. Let's just wait for him to come over here.
Yeah, you get him. I don't have a weapon.
I'm just gonna wait for him to come over here, and then I'm gonna surprise him. Where is he? Skeleton. Whoa! Where is he? I got hit, but there you are. There you are, son of a biscuit.
Whoa! I have an arrow, and I'll use it.
No, you need a bow to shoot the arrow.
All right. I can swing it pretty hard. Hey, see? I totally killed him. I'm a monster hunter.
You could be holding a feather. And you can see. I found diamonds. Oh, it's mine. Ah, creeper! No! Stay over there. I'm coming.
A zombie! I don't even have a weapon.
I'm coming. I'm here.
There's a zombie. Watch out there. And a blow up a brother.
Hold on.
Blow up a bird. Hey, why is
Watch out for the creepers. Creepers after you.
I know. Ah! Watch out. Oh, Jesus.
Careful of the zombie.
I'm gonna arrow him.
In the lava you go. There we go.
Yes.
Where's my stuff? I died.
That's what you get for trying to steal my diamonds
over there.
Yo.
Careful, buddy, because I see a bunch of more.
Did they blow up our diamonds?
Yeah.
What a bunch of... Wait, what's this blue stuff? I want more red.
It's called lapis.
Diamonds.
It's called lapis.
I'm getting...
Okay, careful! They're coming more. Go over here! Follow me! Follow me, True! Follow me!
I don't know where here is. Where is here?
I don't even have a sword.
Oh, there's a creeper beneath me. I don't know where you are.
Where are you, True?
Oh, the arrow guy's following me. I'm running.
Through a shot by skeleton. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Here's what we're gonna do.
I'm back home.
All right, I'm bringing you back to me. So, this is complicated. So, teleport.
Yeah, don't teleport to me.
Through nightfall to VloggyBuddy. That's how it works, yeah?
Yes.
There we go.
Yes. Yes.
All right.
Okay.
So I brought you back.
Stuff.
All the stuff is over here.
Oh,
it's over here. Do you want to go try and get it?
Them.
Yeah, I blocked them off.
Yeah, I see that. You blocked me off. Thank you.
No, I blocked you. I blocked them off after you died. No, no, no. As if I was waiting for you to show up.
You're like every man for himself.
No, no, not as if. I wouldn't do that.
There's a spider right there, man.
That's why I closed it off.
Well, I'm gonna punch the spider. You do.
There's more than just a... Ooh, nice string.
Yeah.
Right,
oh look, see, I trapped this zombie in my little hole there. That was from my blood.
All right, we need to grab our stuff.
Oh, there's all my stuff. There's all my stuff.
There's a creeper coming. There's a creeper coming. I see him coming.
Okay, I want my stuff back though.
Okay, the creeper's coming for me. Come over here. Come over here, creeper. Come over here. He won't go in the hole. Nice!
Blow up the zombie.
No, the zombie's coming out of the hole!
Hi, zombie scum! Whoa! Whoa!
No!
Who the hell is? What is that?
I don't know what.
There's like a magic man. There's a magic man. He did something too. Oh my god!
Whoa!
Oh, I just hit you. Sorry.
No,
you
it's
scared
fine.
me.
What's
I'm
going
like poisoned,
on?
and I'm in a hole, and I'm dead.
You died!
Witch! What's a witch doing there?
Help me, please! Please help me! Please help me! Oh my goodness! We're not gonna make it! We're gonna lose everything! We're gonna lose everything!
Teleport me! Teleport me! It's nighttime.
I cannot teleport you!
Oh, Vloggy. Oh, Jesus.
Oh man, I was being chased. Man, this game is stressful. All right, I'm in a place where they're trying to chase me, but they're up against the current. So I'm gonna see if I can get you over here. Hold on. But the thing is, all right, hold on. I think I found a safe spot. Okay, I'm in a safe spot right now. I'm gonna bring you to me. So teleport through nightfall to VloggyBuddy. Man, one of these days I'm gonna mess this up again. I'm gonna mess it up. All right, so they're down here, over here. The stuff.
Where's our stuff?
Over here.
Where's my sweet blood diamond?
Over here. But there's the witch. Careful. Oh, I got hit. I got hit.
He poisoned me. Okay, you run. I'm gonna go for it.
Run where?
You just hide, and I'm gonna attack him into the lavas. Oh, he's not falling into the lavas like I wanted him to. I'm gonna punch him in the lavas. I'll probably die, but it's cool.
You killed him. I saw some smoke coming up. No, you died.
I put him in the lava. Here, teleport me again.
Okay, I'm bringing you back. Hold on.
That's why I don't like Minecraft Squirrel. Negative Nelly attitude.
This is.
I'm gonna go for it.
This is a game for.
Wow, that is a really strong witch. He's literally just sitting in the lava.
Listen, you know what we're gonna do? We're surrounded. You know what I'm gonna do? Hold on. Hold on,
I got this. Multiple zombies, no problem. Minecraft expert, get some. Oh God. Witches are apparently immune to fire. He was in lava.
How do you?
I don't know why.
How do you switch to easy? I have no idea how this is done. Advanced, unblock data, clear, clone. Wow, difficulty. Hold on, I'm gonna set something real quick. Hold on, I'm gonna change the difficulty because this is killing us. Difficulty, easy, hard, normal, peaceful. All the zombies have disappeared. Yes, and you should be getting your health back. Where are you?
I'm at the house. I'm just.
Oh, you died?
Yeah, I died a long time ago. I thought you were going to teleport.
No, I'm going to teleport you now. Hold on. So, teleport
to
nightfall to VloggyBuddy. Boom. I brought you back. And as you can see now, there's no monsters. I'm making things easier for us.
Are there no monsters in the game at all?
Huh? There's not going to be no monsters now. And your health should be regenerated. Okay.
Where's all our stuff, man?
Yeah,
I see your pants over here.
Yes, please.
I think I died over here. Where's all my blood diamonds, yo?
Hold on. There's a bunch of diamonds over here.
Oh,
careful, don't fall into the lava because it will still kill you.
Yeah.
Do you have...
Picked up a blue one.
I need some... I can't see anything. We need some light here.
I don't think we got our stuff back.
No, some of it might have despawned, you know?
Oh, it despawns?
Yeah, after 5 minutes.
Damn it.
Alright, so... do you have...
Lost all my blood diamonds.
Do you have some wood?
I got I got no wood.
All right, I found some wood over here. I'm gonna just use this.
Dirt.
Did you find the pickaxe, the iron pickaxe?
I got one iron pickaxe and one stone pickaxe.
Actually, I have wood. What am I saying?
Do you want a pickaxe?
Yes, please. I'm just gonna place some torches
around. On the ground.
I'm gonna place some torches around so we can actually see what's going on and what's what. All right, so the problem is this was a big area, and everywhere was in darkness, and that's why we kept dying, because monsters kept spawning. Okay, so I have a stone pickaxe here, so that's not gonna be enough. You mine the diamonds. Mine the diamonds because you have an iron pickaxe, yes? Mine these diamonds.
Okay.
Take those, take those.
Sweet diamonds.
Nice, you got diamonds. Now, come over here. I found more diamonds over here. Mine those. Are there any? No, that's it. Okay, well, better than nothing, but... well. I'm just gonna harvest all this coal real quick.
Blood diamonds!
You found more diamonds?
No, blood diamonds.
So what is a blood diamond?
It is a redstone, but they're blood diamonds. Calling them blood diamonds. I'm a Minecraft expert.
Alright, so...
Bat!
No, the bats are fine. They're passive. They don't do anything. They're good. They're good creatures.
They better not. Oh, more blood diamonds over here.
I'm getting some more iron. Do you have iron on you?
No.
No, but at least we have a bunch of it in the furnace, so we didn't lose most of it. Okay, I have some more iron over here. Basically what I did is I changed the game mode to easy. Peaceful, actually. So we won't find any mobs around. No monsters.
Oh, well, that's kind of like almost no point then.
But no, but come on, I didn't want to lose all our stuff. Just say the word.
Well, we did lose all our stuff.
No, not all of it. Not all of it. Most of it, but not all of it. Okay, just say the word and I'll turn it back on. Do you want monsters back on?
I found a... Well, now I don't. Let's put monsters back on once we're out of this hole.
Exactly.
I found like a more of a hole situation over here. Oh, led to nowhere. What a waste.
I'm just mining more coal.
Oh, wait. I think I found...
Do you want to come over here?
Oh, just ironed out my light. What am I picking up? Oh, I'm picking up some iron ore. We need iron, right?
Yeah, pick up the iron and the coal, all the iron and coal that you can find. And diamonds, obviously.
Picking up the irons.
Then when we get home, we'll make an iron sword. We'll make an iron armor as well, so we can take more damage.
I keep going deeper into the rabbit hole here. This is going to be bad eventually. You
be careful, buddy. You need to find your way back. I mean, I can always teleport you, but that's kind of cheating.
Yeah.
Kind of cheating, kind of.
Kind of definitely cheating.
Like turning to peaceful.
Yeah.
Alright, so...
Sure, you can use the numbers 1 through 9. I don't know what that means.
Yeah, to switch between items. Like, let's say you want to switch to the second item at the bottom row. You can press number 2 and it goes. Yeah, instead of scrolling, but I find that scrolling is easier.
Yeah, scrolling's really easy. Oh, Sakura's gonna iron my lap, if you know what I'm saying. Woohoo!
Okay. So, where are you, Tru? I'm trying to find you, but
I have no idea. I'm gonna try and come back.
Can you backtrack?
I just found a bunch of iron though, so I'm trying to get all the irons we can.
I found some more iron over here as well.
Well, what happens with these experiences levels? What do you get out of it?
Yes, actually, we should try. We should go ahead. How much experience have you got right now?
I'm level 6.
Level 6. I don't know if it's
enough. Oh crap! Where am I?
Are you like?
Oh wait. I think I'm going up. That's good. I see. Nope, that's not good. Not where I want to go. Like this.
I'm trying to see if I can find your username around, but.
I found where I've lit torches. Oh, I think I'm back. I think I'm back to the main area where we died. There you are.
Oh, I see your username. Yes, there you go. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's go back home, because this is
go. Let's
This was a
just
mess.
go home, man.
Let's just go home. Now then, how are we gonna climb back up? Because I think earlier we fell. No. How did we?
No, we should be able to get back up, right?
Is this the way we came?
Can't you swim up waterfalls?
Yes, you can. Yes, you just press spacebar and you keep going up. Make sure you step outside the water every now and then to breathe.
Whoa.
I don't see you though.
Wait,
Where are you?
I'm trapped in a waterfall. How do we get out of here?
I don't see you though. Where are you, Tru? I mean, I know our way back. Oh, I see you. Stay there. Stay over there. Stay right where you are.
I'm staying here.
I'm coming for you.
Okay, Sakura, I'll ask him, but are you being serious?
Hold on.
That's what I want to know. Sakura wants me to ask you something, but
Come
I
over
don't
here.
know.
Come over here, Tru.
Where's over here? Oh, there you are.
This way. I found the way home. I think it's this way. Yes, it is. Yes, it's this way.
I need like a professional Minecraft maker to make me a skin.
Careful
I
of the
like my
lava.
head. I like my head, but I want like.
You're an umbrella agent. All right, so
I want like my shorts and t-shirt in IRL.
Oh man, this is not gonna work. Hold on. We need to find a way to climb up. Yeah.
No, Sakura, I'm not gonna say it. Are you being serious or not?
What's going on?
Sakura's being.
I found the way. Come over here. I found the way back up. Okay, so
right.
If we swim up, we should be able to reach.
Yeah, that's where we came from.
All right.
This is so slow. It looks like you're swimming in Maltese.
All right, so I made it. Are you? Did you make it?
Okay, I'm coming up.
All right.
I'm coming up.
Now this is. Oh wow. Okay.
Blue diamonds, the sisters of blood diamonds.
Now that's the way. We need to go. Come over here. We need to go up there. Up there.
Oh.
How are we gonna? Do you have like a bunch of blocks that you don't need, like andesite, for example? Like what
I have
you
a bunch of.
do, what you can
I have
do is
one
you
andesite.
can jump and place a block, jump, place a block, jump, place a block, jump, place a block, jump, place a block, and I'm up.
I have like 20 cobblestone.
Yeah, place a bunch of underneath and jump up, like I'm doing.
Okay.
Jump and right click, so you place them down.
Like.
Yeah, you look straight down.
Oh
No!
All right, that was totally intentional.
You're right.
I'm waiting, Sakura. You tell me if you're serious, and I'll ask. But I think you're just being mean. Sakura's being mean.
She's always mean.
Typical Sakura. All right, here we go. Here we go. Hey.
Hang on. Let me just bridge. Okay, there you go. I bridged you.
There we go.
So come over here. This is the way up. Yeah, this is the way out, I think. Yeah. Something like this. Sakura's mean.
Here we are. Sakura is a meanie.
She didn't even stop by my stream to say hello. Nothing. Or maybe she did and I didn't even notice her name, but...
She did. She was probably just trolling you.
I'm pretty positive she doesn't. I'm pretty positive she hasn't. Alright, let's go back up. Is it night out?
Going. It looks dark up there. Should you take these things?
Yeah, since I'm gonna craft some stuff actually. Hold on, I'm gonna take all these 60 iron ingots and then we'll split them or whatever. I'll just put another 23 and I'm gonna craft myself a nice iron sword. Do you have an iron sword?
I don't have any sword.
Alright, I'm gonna make you a sword then. Cheer. You could get out on your own and then teleport through. It's true. Nah, I know you could do that, but you know, where's the fun in that? We can try to make this legit. Try.
Sakura said she was there and you ignored her.
Really? Cheer, was she here? Cheer, was she here? You tell me, Cheer.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna give you a sword. Hold on, I'm gonna give you a sword. Stay there.
Oh, okay,
I'm gonna throw a sword in your face. Look. Boom.
Oh!
I'm gonna put on my pants. I was
Like
pantsless. You didn't tell me I was pantless?
Oh, I assumed that was your natural state. I didn't think you mind.
Alright, so I'm gonna make another. I'm gonna craft some. Yes, she was. Alright, Cheer says she was. Alright. My apologies.
Okay.
I will apologize. It's fine. I will apologize. Do you have an iron pickaxe or would you like me to make you one?
I have an iron pickaxe.
You have?
Still workable.
Alright, so I'm gonna take that. What else am I gonna make? You know what I'm gonna do? Would you like some armor?
Yeah, I got nothing.
Alright, though the armor is we can do a chest plate, pants, boots, helmet. What would you like? I mean, eventually we're gonna have all of it, but it's gonna require tons of iron.
I like my sweet face. Let's give me some boots. My feet are tired, I think.
Let me make you a boots. I think I
He's
can make
giving
you.
you.
I think I can make you a chest
Sakura's
plate.
jealous. Sakura says you're giving me too much attention.
I'm gonna make you a pair of
Just a
boots.
little jelly. Easy there, sugar butt. All right. Just
All right,
we're just playing a game.
What's going on? I'm gonna place these. I'm gonna throw these. 1, 2.
Oh.
All right. So you go take them. You take it.
Oh.
And put them
like
on.
Iron Man up in here. Put the.
Now I'm gonna
It
put.
puts the boots on the skin.
What's with the jealous? I didn't get what you said. The comment.
Oh, you were paying me so much attention you didn't notice her in your chat.
It's true. Probably yes. Probably.
Because
the thing is,
you have some gold.
The thing
hey,
is,
I do have gold.
you have gold. All right. So you can put it in the furnace and smelt it. But right now it's busy smelting.
Okay. Smelting.
Smelting iron.
An unfortunate smelting accident.
How many diamonds do you have, by the way?
3.
Oh, that's not enough. Well, it's enough to make a pickaxe, and that's it.
Oh, a diamond pickaxe.
Yeah, we can make a diamond pickaxe, and we need to take good care of
We
that
had-
because if we lose it,
If we hadn't died, we would have had so much diamonds.
it's
You
true.
and rich
yeah, that's true.
fighters. Oh, so once you get armor, you can't even see your character anymore, huh?
Well, I mean, you can see your character, but not
Doesn't really matter what you're wearing at that point, huh?
exactly.
It looks like I'm literally wearing just blocks of granite. It seems very.
All right, let me put some stuff on now as well. Boom.
Oh, you're buff.
Boom.
Good. Everybody. Oh, look at how.
I look spiffy. The
Get
word you're
it.
looking for is spiffy.
I'm
Alright,
gonna-
so I'm just
I'm
gonna
gonna
wait.
twerk in my armor.
There's 4 more
Twerk,
blocks. I'm
twerk,
gonna wait for them to
twerk.
cook.
Okay. Cook.
Yeah, so now...
Twerk. Twerk. Twerk.
You know what? Time to take off these pants again. There we go. Look at me.
What? Let me see. Oh yeah, that's the kind of armor. Twerking that armor.
I got sticky keys because I pressed shift a couple of times. Alright, so... if you go down a little, but there's more iron. Yes, I noticed as well, but I'm not going to bother for now. I'm just going to focus on going back up so we can reorganize and regroup, basically. And
Whoa, I could make a diamond sword.
I'm going to take some of this for now.
What do hoes do? What is that for?
We're going to farm some land eventually. Let's go back up because I think it's night out. Yes, it is. And that's why we made some armor, so we can actually handle some monsters during the night with the iron sword and everything. Hopefully
Well, I can't even make a stick.
Yeah,
Are we leaving? Are you?
yeah, let's go
Are
back
you
up
leaving
now.
these things?
Yeah, just leave the coal there, you know,
We don't need it.
for later use. No, I mean, it's going to be handy when
Oh,
we
if we
come
come back down.
Exactly. Just
Our
finding
sweet
some
hole.
more coal over here. Real fast, real fast. Oh,
Coal.
coal is useful. All
I
right,
love coal.
I love coal! The look of it, the smell of it, the texture.
Oh,
Solid coal!
coal.
Solid coal! This coal, this coal, this coal! What? Alright. Alright, night just started actually, and it's too dark now. Are we gonna find the way home from here?
I know how to get us
I
home.
have zero sense of direction, so I can
Follow
just...
me, Vloggy. Bum
Alright.
ba-da-bum, bum ba-dum. Die.
Oh, I see light over there. Is that us? No, it can't be us.
No, that's not us. Why is there light over there though?
Probably
Was it
some
the pumpkins?
Probably some lava.
Okay, well, that's not us.
Oh,
I
there's
know
no
where our
monsters.
boats are.
Oh, there's no monsters. I forgot. There's no monsters
Oh
because I
yeah,
switched
you
peaceful.
turn it on.
I'm gonna switch
Turn
it back
easy
on. I'm
mode.
gonna switch it back
yeah,
on.
this is too easy. I don't like that.
Alright,
Our boats are over here. Wait, no, this side of the island.
Boom. Mobs are back on.
Oh.
Careful now.
Nope. Run away! Get
I
to the
love
boats.
coal.
Oh,
Where are
wait.
the boats?
my
Boats.
sense of direction failed us. That's where we ran, but we left our boats over in a different spot last time, huh?
Wow, you
We're
have a
way
good sense
over
of
there.
direction, and you never played this game
Yeah.
before. You're good.
I just have direction. That's about it.
Where's
Wait,
the...
are our boats still gonna be there? Do they
Watch out, there's a zombie. No, the
I
boats
saw
don't.
them. I saw them.
Boats shouldn't despawn. I think.
Yeah,
I don't know.
They do, because this is definitely where we boated last time, right
Where
here.
We boated.
We boated right here, because I remember this like white
So,
wall.
what are we gonna do now?
I don't have any wood
wanna,
either.
Do you want to swim? You just want to swim it then?
Yeah, we can just swim.
Hold on, let me just kill this guy. Uh-oh. Alright, we're being chased by zombies. I'm gonna go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's. You're making too many friends over there.
Ah, Sakura's here. Wanna see if Vloggy sees me? It took me a while. It took me a while, Sakura. It took me a while. Oh, man. Oh, man. Sakura, if you want me to see you, send me a Snapchat. Careful. Oh, look at that. Zombie's holding a sword or something. No, it's a shovel.
He's got like a shovel.
Yeah, he's got a shovel.
Little...
Alright, careful now.
He's a snaky bugger. Amy doesn't like that.
I killed him.
Well, you killed him good. Yeah, you murdered that guy.
He didn't drop anything though. I mean, maybe he did. I don't know. Uh-oh, careful of the creeper.
Whoop, where?
Yeah, and even on the island there's a skeleton as well. Careful.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll send you. Yes, please, Sakura. Yes, please.
Yes, please. What?
Nude.
Nudes. She wants nudes. Oh yeah, Sakura was trying to be mean. She wanted me to ask you. She said she would tell Vloggy that I'm buying Minecraft. I want to hear his reaction. That's why I kept saying, "Are you being serious, or are you just being mean, Sakura, as usual?" I knew she wasn't.
She's not gonna buy it. Oh, the reaction,
she's not gonna.
The reaction would have been awesome. We've been like, really? Whoa!
Yup.
Aww.
Is there like underwater craziness, or is that not a thing?
Underwater? Yes, there is actually. I was gonna say
underwater.
No. I was gonna say no, but there actually is. I would never buy it. Okay, fine, Sakura. I died a little inside, but that's okay.
I just died.
Yes.
I just died in your arms tonight.
There is Bork. There is adventure underwater as well. There are like temples underwater called I think they're called temples, I think underwater temples or something like that, and there's like these guardians that look after the temples. You can kill them and stuff. It's really, I've never had, I never explored one of them. I saw on YouTube and stuff, but I never to get there we need like armor that's for respiration, so we can stay underwater for a very long time. Something that we can use to get better visibility underwater as well. It's all that stuff. Watch out, because there's tons of creatures.
I know. I'm just running home.
Yes,
Run
careful.
home.
There's a creeper chasing you as well.
I'm homeward bound.
All right, go home and lock the door behind you. Don't worry about me, okay?
Ow! Who was shooting me?
And make sure if a creeper goes off, boom, doesn't go off anywhere near our house, please.
Boom, boom. Okay. Shutting door. Where are you?
Yeah, just close the door. Don't worry about me. I'm just gonna go ahead and circle around the island to see where I can.
Just gonna hang out here. What do I do with my cool blood diamonds and my blue?
Put them in the chest for now, and we'll.
That's what I was about to do, actually.
Figure out to use later, perhaps. I don't know. I don't know.
I got some leather. I don't know if you need leather for anything.
I'm coming. Help me, please! Oh, no, I can't die like this. No, not like this.
Vloggy.
No, I'm not gonna die. I can't die. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Oh my goodness.
Are you being a hero? I see you. What are you doing out there?
I'm trying to find the door. Where's the door?
It's on the other side. You're totally wrong side. Fly, Vloggy, fly.
Oh, that was close.
I need to make sticks. Can I make those again?
Alright, we're good. Alright, so what are you trying to do?
I'm just making sticks. I don't have any.
I'm gonna cook some food now. Well, actually, I don't even have that much.
Yeah.
I told you, the house is garbage. Oh, come on.
Whoa. I can make a diamond pickaxe. Should I make that, or should I save the diamond?
Yes, that would be the most important thing to do right now. A diamond pickaxe, actually, yes.
Okay, got diamond pickaxe.
So, I mean, for now,
I can make
if I were you, for now, I would leave the diamond pickaxe in the chest, keep it safe, because if we die and lose it, you know, we're gonna have to find more diamonds, and it's not easy.
Yeah. Are you cooking something in the furnace?
Yeah, you can have whatever there is. You can have.
No, that's okay. You have it. I just was gonna do some smelting.
You can craft another. If you want, you can craft another furnace if you want. One is not enough.
How do you make furnaces?
You go on the crafting bench and check the recipe.
Where's my furnace?
I can easily tell you how, but I want you to like figure it out, because so you learn. You need cobblestone, and you place like a circle of a circle, like a whole circumference.
Oh, I see. Furnace. I made it.
There we go. I made one myself as well. I made one myself. So.
Yeah, now I see that they have it like that, because I remember when this game first came out, people were like, you had to like literally remember how to make everything.
Yeah, I remember as well. Huh? I know.
I mean, I didn't do that, but I remember people being like, if you're new to this game, you won't know how to do anything when you start.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh, right, so you made another one. All right, we got a lot of furnaces here.
Yes, it's fine. It's fine. The more we have, the better, actually. So
Okay,
I'm gonna put my
I got some melting going on there.
I'll put some iron over there as well. We have like 7 iron in the box.
Oh, dang it, I need my coal back. Give me
I'm
some
gonna
of
put
that
some
coal.
coal over there as well. And
How do I...
It's gonna turn.
How do I
into
take
morning
one
soon.
coal away?
You need another door. Maybe we do. Maybe we do.
Oh, there we go. What?
How about we extend the house?
Yeah, we should... Oh, you have a bunch of stuff in this furnace. Cooked pork chop? I'll just grab
Yeah,
it.
you can eat it. Eat it. I'm okay. I'm full.
Okay.
I wish
Yum,
I
yum,
could-
yum, yum, yum,
I
yum.
would like to craft a saddle for the horse, but I don't know how. Hold on. Can we craft a saddle? Saddle, saddle, saddle. No, this is not it. Not it. Not it.
Ooh, I got gold ingots.
I cannot craft a saddle. Where's the saddle? There's the leather stuff, the leather gear, but showing all. Oh. All right, so it should be here. So maybe you can't craft a saddle.
Saddle?
I'm gonna search. Oh, you can't search. What is this then? I don't know. This is showing all of it. No, this can't be all of it. Maybe you can't craft a saddle. I don't think you can actually. You need to find it. Boom. Okay, never mind. Do you want to make the house? Do you want to make the house look? What would you like to do? Make the house look cooler, or go mining some more stuff?
Yeah, let's upgrade our pad. You know, that way we, you know, after a long day of adventuring, we'll want a nice little,
creeper!
little house. Whoa,
Creeper!
I see it. Whoa.
Careful, careful. He's after me. That's fine. Careful. He's after me. Don't worry.
And a spider.
The best way to destroy creepers is have them follow you into the water.
Oh.
And when they explode, they don't do any damage. I mean, they don't do any damage to the environment. Look, he's coming
Burn
to
in
the water.
hell, Archer. Yeah, you like them
Blow
apples,
up,
Archer.
please.
So funny.
Poof! And the
Funny when
spider
you're
is
dead.
dead.
Oh wait, what gets
Whoa!
Ow! Holy! Okay, I really need my sound to work because a creeper just nuked the Jesus.
Oh
out of me.
my goodness, that crater! I
You
hate.
see this
Oh, by the way,
hole?
another pet peeve of mine. I hate creeper holes. I'm just gonna fix this because it bothers me so
Okay.
much.
Yeah, that's I have no sound. I don't know why sound's not working in this game.
I hate creeper
I assume
holes.
they make some kind of noise. I'm gonna just collect wood while you
I don't know.
OCD fill that hole.
Yeah, I don't even have it. Oh, you know what we can do actually? Hold on. Oh, this is awesome. Hold on. This is gonna blow your mind.
All right.
Hold on, I have an idea. No, I don't think... actually,
Oops.
I don't think I have flint. Does anybody have flint? No.
No. I think we lost that in our struggles.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get more flint. Oh, I got one. Alright. So, with flint, I can get 1 iron ingot and I can craft flint and steel. And you know what flint and steel does?
Fire.
Fire.
I know that from Smosh
Alright,
games.
let's have some fun.
Trying to get the stupid giant tree done with because it is just lingering.
It's done.
It's like these hidden wood blocks in here. Hey! You light my tree on fire!
Get down from there! Get down from there! No! What'd you do? Come quick, pick up your stuff.
You burned my wood blocks!
No, I
All
didn't
my
burn. I
stuff!
was just burning the tree, making it easier.
No! It's anarchy!
Come down here. All your stuff is here. That's so funny. Man, look at the tree burning.
That burned good.
You probably had a very low amount of health. That's why when you fell off that part, you just died right away. Be careful, because I didn't think you had enough hearts. All right, so
I got a heart.
look at that. Look at that. It's all gone now. You
Man.
see? That was very efficient.
That was very, I like that.
I told
Oops,
you.
that's not what I want. Where's my, there it is.
All right, so you know what I want? I would like something different. This wood we have is not good enough. I would like some different kind of wood. How are we gonna make the house look
Told you
cooler?
to, shh.
What can we do?
Told you to check the playback device. Go to desktop. Right click on sound. Okay. Cheers harassing me about this sound thing. Hold.
Yeah, go ahead. If I were you, I would do it whilst inside the house, so whilst you're browsing the options, you don't get attacked by something. So it's up to you.
Creeper's gonna roll up on me again.
I'm gonna make a shuffle real quick.
Nope.
I'm gonna make outside a little prettier. I'm gonna try. Come on, man. I think I just heard your game.
No, you're hearing these ding ding dings?
I don't know, I just heard like an echo sound of something.
Let me see. Oh! Ah!
You love the game. That's fine. You just log back in and you'll just come back.
Is all my stuff still gonna be there?
Yeah.
Okay.
No biggie.
Okay, I'm back. I don't hear anything. I don't know, cheer.
Figured out anything?
No. Whoa, look at this walkway you're making here.
Fancy
Little homemaker. I need some more woods.
I'm gonna leave 2 perhaps. Maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Boom.
Alright.
That should be okay. I'm gonna make more.
A lot of wood.
So you see, when you mine stone, it turns into cobblestone. It's not that gray, you know, that gray material that you actually mine initially. To turn it back into that kind of gray stone, you need to smelt it.
Smelt it, eh?
Smelt it once again. I love gold. Tell true, it could be worse. I have used TNT for the heck of it. He said hell, but I said heck. Because I tried to censor people.
Second story of the house, baby.
Yeah, baby. Yes. Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, but this is sticking out. I'm gonna fix that. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
You know why it bothers me? It's not because of OCD this time. Because it makes shade, and skeletons get attracted to staying here when it goes morning for shade, and it would be a nasty surprise.
This window's in front of a wall.
I'm gonna leave it up to you to be creative with regards to the. All right, so you have so Jack, you also have Minecraft. You may have told me in the past, and I already forgot probably.
True. Which Minecraft do you have? I don't know.
There's only one Minecraft. No.
I think I just have
actually,
one.
There's because there's the Pocket Edition and there's the PlayStation Edition. Probably that's what they mean.
Well, I have whatever the normal PC one is what I have. I think we need a balcony on the second story so we can gaze upon our.
I know it's a good idea, but I mean. Oh my goodness! The creeper the creeper was just hiding in our around the corner from our house. He was just there. Careful! Oh, he's after you actually. That's why he's not attacking me.
Hold on, I'll get him out of here.
Hold on, he's coming. He's coming.
No!
Why did he blow up? We were far away from him. That sucks.
It's like a cavern underneath our house. Should we explore?
Let me just. Of course. Oh my goodness.
That's the one right.
Yeah.
That's the one right here. Never mind. That's not a cool cavern.
Let me just fix this. This needs to be fixed. This is a health hazard.
Yes, it definitely needs to be fixed.
Do you have dirt?
I have no dirt. Oh, well, I have 3 dirt.
That's not enough.
I'll use it in here.
I'm gonna get some dirt.
That's all the dirt I have.
I'm gonna get some dirt, sucker. Yeah, by the way, if you want to mine dirt or gravel or sand, it's better if you use a shovel, it's faster.
A shovel? Okay. I'm gonna make... Can you make wood floating above? Well, you can.
Yeah, but why? What do you mean? Why would you make floating wood?
For my sweet patio setup.
Yeah, but be careful because at night, skeletons can shoot arrows through the balcony. You know?
Oh, I'll still put a door there.
Up to you, buddy.
It's not gonna be an unsecured door.
I'm gonna leave up to your creative imagination.
That's
thingy.
just anarchy. Okay, it's gotta overlook Playboy Island.
Yeah, nice. Playboy Island is life. This doesn't look like the way it was our house. This looks so much different.
No, it doesn't. What happened to our house?
I don't know. The house looks so different now.
No, damn it.
Was something like this, perhaps? Yeah, but what is this?
I guess I'll do it from here. This will be easier.
That's gonna cause a lot of shade, huh? We're gonna have monsters hiding under here when the sun rises.
Is that what they do?
Yeah.
Can we put a torch there?
No, it's not enough because they hide from the sun. In the morning, when the sun comes up, the skeletons, when they set on fire, they're gonna go for shade. They're gonna look for shade. That's why they hide under trees. And they're gonna do the same thing with our house. We're gonna have a bunch of monsters. Yeah, I know it's sweet, but that's what's gonna happen.
Alright, fine, screw it. We don't need monsters around our neighborhood.
I'm sorry. Alright, so, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna place a bunch of torches here as well. 1, 2.
Sorry, patio.
Sun is going down. We can sleep if you want, so that we prevent the night from happening.
Okay. Does our house look so weird in that corner now?
No, it's okay.
I'm sleeping on my clean bed. Thank you very much.
No, my bed. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Hold on, I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work. This must be new. Well, I'm gonna try it. Hold on.
All right.
No, it didn't work. I'm gonna try something though. Give me a sec. Do we have any bones?
I lost my bones.
God dang it. Alright, so I guess I can't do anything. Never mind. Alright, let's sleep. It's a morning. I'm gonna need to get some skeletons. I need to find some bones. Because with bone meal you can craft dye, color. I'm gonna see if I can color my bed. Gonna try.
Oh.
Gonna try. Because I don't like the shit stains.
You don't like the what?
The shit stains in my bed.
Oh yeah. You gotta enjoy yourself at night.
But I didn't get a bone. Show me a freaking bone here.
Show me a freaking bone.
Oh man, I'm hungry. Not in real life.
Wonder.
I need to eat. So, foods. Where is foods? Uh-oh, we don't have foods. Uh-oh, we don't have foods. We don't have foods.
Oh, yeah, we lost all our food.
Okay, that's not good. We're gonna starve. I'm gonna kill some animals. I'm gonna go kill some animals real quick, because we can't die of hunger. It can't end like this.
This is how our adventures end. Starved to death in our house. Where do I make a door? There it is.
No pigs, come on. More sheep, whatever. We'll get
Oh,
some
I have like a
meat.
chest plate. Where'd that come from?
Didn't I give you the chest plate?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I thought I'd lost them.
I'm gonna try to attack a squid. Hold on.
This is only gonna last because it's like my first time playing this. Other than that, I would never let this fly.
What?
I'm making a really stupid situation here. Don't worry about it.
I wanna see.
I'm making it so it actually closes off.
not so sure if... I just killed the squid. Oh, hello. I got some cows. No, it's not cow. No, it wasn't a cow. I thought it was a cow. Alright, so... I killed the squid and I got some ink sacks. What is this?
No. Go Vloggy, look at
what is that?
Discord.
Seriously?
It's my sweet little walkway.
Alright, let me see if I can do this.
There are 4 Minecrafts? Is that true, Vloggy? Chris says look at Discord. I don't know. When I went on Minecraft.com, I had one option.
What's this supposed to be, though? What is this supposed to be like?
This is like, you know, you want to go to the roof. You know.
There needs to be a door.
There has to be a door to protect us. And I put a block here, but then I realized that you couldn't.
Oh man, dude. Alright, this is not good. Over here, and this.
Yep.
Okay.
Maybe. Fight.
Alright, so that's
nope. That's not good.
What if you just make stairs without having to make the room for the stairs? I don't know, just an idea.
I did that on the first one, and then I was like, I don't feel safe. I feel like a flying enemy is gonna come in and hurt us.
What you can do, hold on, what you can do is close off the roof. Obviously, you make a second floor.
Yeah, I was gonna do that, but I didn't have enough wood, and I was not motivated enough to chop down 1,000 more woods.
Like this.
I do need more. I do need more wood, though.
I got a bunch.
I'll say it again. The house is garbage. Man, Sakura is just full of hatred. Once she gets Minecraft, though, she's gonna be responsible.
Oh, almost fell. That's fine. I'm gonna make it look pretty. I'm gonna make it not today, but we're gonna have a smoking hot house. Smoking hot.
Oh yeah.
House. I kid you not. It's gonna be awesome. But obviously, it's
once the main house is done, then we have to work on our little getaway on Playboy Island.
Yeah, I have an idea for Playboy Island. Ouch.
Ooh.
Right, I can't
Chop
die.
Trees, yeah. Oh, my freaking! The hell is that thing? That's just broke. Pickaxe died on me. Wait, is the pickaxe? What chops down trees faster?
The axe. It's just an axe.
Just
like
the axe.
Plain old regular axe. All right.
That means I need an axe.
All right, so I'm gonna make an axe as well.
Oh, I can make a golden pickaxe.
Yeah, but that's useless. It's not very durable.
Oh, is it? Screw it. What about a golden axe?
Golden axe. That was a good game. Remember Golden Axe?
Oh yeah.
Na, 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 na. Next thing you know is this to make a Minecraft version of Raccoon City. The police station. We built the police station. I saw somebody who did that, and I was very inspired. I wanted to do the same thing as well, but it's like. Oh, by the way, Tru, don't get offended. I'm destroying this whole.
Yeah, that was terrible.
I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna make it much prettier.
This is why I shouldn't have started playing this game, because I want it to be perfect. And I know it's gonna take forever if I decide to do that.
No, that's fine.
Iron.
We're gonna make some actual stairs.
There it is. Okay, got an axe.
I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna fix. I'm gonna make it sexy.
I'm just gonna go hunting for trees.
Yeah.
Chop, 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 chop.
You touch my tra-la-la. Now, what do we do?
Is there bamboo growing here? Is that a thing? I see
yeah,
bamboo?
it's sugarcane. Yeah, it's sugarcane actually.
Sugarcane for sugar butt. Where's my sugar butt?
Yeah, then you can convert it to. You can convert it to sugar, and then feed it to. But still, you need the saddle. We managed to tame the. We already managed to tame the horse, so that's not a problem. We need the saddle so we can ride the baby.
Oh yeah, that's true. Well, apparently I'm starving to death. Do we have food? I have food on me. I have a steak.
I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna cook some
yum, yum, yum,
right now. Now then, What if we do this, this, and this? There we go.
Blocks, 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 blocks.
Sexy. I just made a sexy.
You're sexy and I know it.
Now let's just fix this real quick. There we go. I think it's okay now. Is it? Not happy with the way it looks, but
Cheese.
not sure what I'm trying to accomplish now. It works. The stairs work, but they look hideous.
Oh yeah, I didn't like my stairs at all.
All right, yes, I got it. I got it to work. I almost lit the house on fire.
Duh!
Oh.
I am loaded with wood.
That would have been a big boo-boo.
I now have sugar. Plant some dang trees.
I'm gonna make some more
trees
stairs.
growing up around here.
Because you can actually craft stairs. You just made stairs out of blocks, like literally placing down the blocks and, you know, using them as stairs. But you can actually get stairs. You can actually...
Oh!
Yeah.
I did not know this.
It's okay. Of course you didn't. You're a noob.
I'm hardcore Minecraft pro.
GG.
Sugar butt, where are you? Sugar butt. Judo chop only runs.
Judo chop only run. Is it something like this, perhaps? Should it be okay? No. No, this is not good.
Sakura, get it! Not even expensive. Because I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to play Outbreak again, so play this.
You play with us.
Oh, you could be... Oh, Sakura, just imagine your bed right in the middle between Vloggy and I here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, the shenanigans.
That's worth the $20.
Oh, dude, easy. Oh, wait, I do have a bone. Do you need bone? I didn't even know I had one.
I don't need it now, no. Actually, put them in the box and I'll take them later.
Yeah.
Check out how I did the stairs. Do you see? Do you like what I did with the stairs? And
yeah, I like that. You don't have to like jump up.
You see what I did with the?
Yeah. Okay, I gotta. Do you need more wood? I have a crap ton here.
Have you converted them to planks yet or not? Because I need some actual wood. Do you have some actual wood?
Oh, just straight wood?
Yeah.
I only have 4 oak wood left.
That's fine. I'll take the regular planks then. That's fine. I'll take the plain old
right there.
planks. Plank. Ooh, nice. All right. It's getting night. I think we should sleep. But look at the house, huh? It's starting to shape up.
House, it's starting to get good.
You see? And look, I made nice stairs leading up.
Yeah. We make fancier beds.
Oh yeah, speaking of which, you gave me the bone. I'm gonna convert the bone into bone meal, and then I'm going to combine the bone meal with a lapis, with one of those blue blocks.
Yeah, I can see you can make different. Yeah.
And then I'm gonna craft some dye. I'm not so sure if it's gonna work. Light blue dye. And let's see if it's gonna work. I'm gonna try. Let's try. Oh, it doesn't work. God dang it.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna make a little fence.
Doesn't work.
For security.
True, and the quest for stolen horse. I like that. All right, so whenever you want, we can sleep.
Okay.
Because we need to be in bed
Make
at the same time.
Sticks. We need to be in bed at the same time. That's what you tell all the ladies, I bet.
I just had an idea. Stop it. Stop it, you. I just had an idea. Hold on. I just got an idea. I'm not so sure if it's gonna work. Can I color the wool? Let's see if it's gonna work like this. Oh yeah, baby. Nice. Oh, I don't have enough. Hold on.
What did you did?
More lapis, please. I'm gonna make more colors. I'm gonna sleep in my awesome new bed. So much hassle for. Oh, okay. So this one's colored already. You cannot do it. But okay. Nice. All right, are you ready for my awesome bed?
I don't know if I'm ready for this. I don't think I'm ready for this, Jelly.
Can I have some wood? Because I want to keep this oak wood planks for now. All right, here we go. I'm gonna make an awesome bed. You're gonna be jelly of my bed.
I'm gonna jump on the bed over here while I wait.
Oh yeah, baby. All right, so
Ah!
look at my bed. Ah,
What?
I made the blue bed.
This is for when Sakura joins us.
Oh, this would be Sakura's bed, the blue one.
Oh yeah, Sakura got the blue one.
You'll get the stained one.
I'm sleeping in the clean one. You get poop bed.
You see, we made the bed for you. You see?
See, Sakura, how nice we are. What thoughtful roommates we are.
Oh yeah, baby.
Yep, baby.
All right, so it's morning now. It should be, yes. Right.
Yay!
So what I'm gonna do now.
I'm making fence.
Do you want to continue for building the roof? Not the roof. The walls up there.
I was just gonna make more fences, secure our perimeter.
Fences. You're making.
I have oak fence. I have oak fence.
But keep in mind that the fence is also going to be obstructing us to go through. So it's up to you, really.
Hey,
what I'm going to do is there's a creeper. Careful, careful, careful. I see it.
I'll just make like a cool walk.
Oh, creeper too close to my face. Right, careful, careful.
How
Where's
dare
the creeper? Creeper right on my face. Where is it? The thing is, the creepers are green. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, that's nice. And you can perhaps place the torches on top of the fence.
Oh, you can? Oh,
Yeah,
that looks
yeah.
sweet.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna...
How do I...
Oh,
can I
got more
pick
bone.
up torches or I have to destroy them?
What? Yeah, just destroy them and place them again, yeah. Just destroy them.
Oh, I see.
Oh, wow, I'm getting hungry again. Not hungry, actually. I'm low on health. We need to find a temporary... Not a temporary, a permanent solution for food, huh? Because...
Yeah, how do you do that?
Well, that would be farming, really. Farming, create...
Oh, there it goes.
Look at our house. It's starting to take shape. I'm happy.
Yeah, people are jelly of our house.
Are you hungry? How's your health doing?
I'm good.
You
Full
sure?
on everything.
Okay. Let's see.
Oh, damn it. I need one more torch.
I'm gonna get some more wood.
Torches.
Wood.
Oh, never mind. I got torches just lying around here. There we go. How does this look? Looks like a
Hold on, coming.
sweet entrance. Our front is kind of like just drops off into a hill, though. It's
We can make some nice cobblestone stairs that go down.
Yeah, we should make like stairs that lead all the way to the water here. Like, this is our beachfront
yes.
property.
You can make some stairs with the cobblestone. They would look lovely.
Well, I'll do that.
Making some more. You know what you can do as well? I'll do it myself. Don't worry, actually, because we need to do some flooring inside the house as well. Huh? The house looks hideous. Like we actually still have grass inside our house.
Yeah, I was about to say, like, I don't know, is that a thing? Can you make floor?
Yeah, I'm gonna make some nice flooring as well. What we need to do is we need to smelt some cobblestone in the furnace. If you can put some in the oven right now. I'm gonna do that myself, actually, don't worry. So, cobblestone.
Okay, what was I doing?
I don't.
Sakura distracted me. I was gonna make... how do you make steps?
Hold on. So
It's a thing in here. Oh, I see cobblestone stairs. Well, I need a lot of cobblestone.
I'm trying to think.
Where do you get cobblestone?
We ran out of cobblestone probably. We need to mine it.
Damn it!
We probably ran out of cobblestone. I don't even know what we used it on, but we ran out of it. Oh yeah, we made furnaces and stuff.
I think we also died and just lost a lot of it.
It's true. Yeah. Womp, womp, womp. You know what I'm gonna do?
But I want this to go straight down to the water, so I'm gonna just start clearing a path here. What clears dirt out the best?
Shovel.
Is it an axe or a hoe
Shovel.
or what does... Shovel? I don't even have a shovel. Making a shovel.
Oh, that's a lot of damage. That's okay. Oh, it looks lovely now. Oh, it's starting to look nice, if I do say so myself. All right, nice, nice, nice. All right, so I'm gonna do a little project. Oopsie, what did I do?
Oh.
What?
What is this?
What's going on? Let me just take a look. Whoa.
Oh,
Careful,
I ran
huh?
into...
Careful.
Is that cobblestone? Is that what I'm getting here?
Let me see what it is. Hold on.
I don't know. What is this stuff here? Cobblestone?
That's just regular stone. Yeah, but when you mine it, it's gonna turn into cobblestone. Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll fill this in later. I need this sweet, sweet cobblestone.
Yeah, let's make some nice stairs for. Don't
What was
mind
a
the house
punching?
right now. Don't mind the way the house looks right now. I'm just renovating.
I'm not even looking at it. I'm just
renovating.
focusing on stairs.
I'm renovating, so no, I'm just in case you come to the house, you're like, what are you doing? Sometimes you need to make it worse before it starts looking better.
That's true. Oh, what is this stuff? Oh, that's sand. Never mind.
I broke my shovel.
Thought I found gold.
And I don't have another shovel, and I don't have. Aww.
Ooh, lots of cobblestone here. Looking good.
Now, what you need to do, you need to smelt it, obviously. So
yeah.
Actually, you don't.
Oh,
need
is
to
that how you
smelt
make
it
stairs?
to make cobblestone stairs, you don't need to smelt it. No, you just craft it.
Yeah, that's what I was.
Yeah,
that's what I thought.
When you smelt it, it turns into like the regular stone that you just mined. You know, the white, well, gray plain stone.
Sakura.
What's she saying now?
She's
on us. She got Minecraft. She bought Minecraft.
No, but she's gonna. We're gonna get her. Is it Amy of Minecraft? You gotta
I don't
get
know.
the whole crew in here. Well,
Alright,
get so much cobblestone.
Let's see. Alright, I have 21. This is definitely not enough. 21. 20.
Oh, man, I mined so much cobblestone, I broke my axe.
Alright, so just gonna do the flooring.
Oh, Jesus, I didn't see this. I didn't see this.
Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. It's gonna look gorgeous. I promise. Look at the flooring. It looks amazing. It looks amazing.
Let me see. Oh, I like. Can we like have carpet? Is that a thing?
Yes, we can have carpet as well.
Whoa! Oh wait. Oh, that's why I went in there to make a pickaxe, and all I did was make stairs. Oops.
Here's an idea. Do a giant. Hang on. Here's an idea. Make a giant sign with torches in case you get lost. Yeah. We could. Yeah, we could. But our structure is going to be so big and so bright. You know, we're going to be able to see our house from far away. So that's not going to be an issue. You know, look at that. So yeah, we're going to be okay. We're going to.
How do stairs look? I need to see how this looks. Oh, that's how they look. I like that.
Yeah, so you can just keep going down without having to jump. You know, when you go up blocks, you have to jump. But stairs are just like smooth walking, basically.
Yeah, I'll take care of the stair situation. Don't you worry.
Don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you.
I'm gonna make all these damn stairs.
Oh, man. I got an idea, speaking of science. He just gave me an idea, Mr. Jack. Jack just gave me an idea.
Jack had an idea that was unrelated to guns?
I was gonna say something similar. Oh, you. Good one. Nice one. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes.
Alright, I got a ton of cobblestone. Let's see how this
Hold on, this is gonna be amazing.
Dirt.
Oh, my cast must be on.
There's dirt.
Check out our house. This is, you have to see this. Come back. You see
Hold
something?
on.
You see something awesome?
Let me see. What am I looking at?
Come to our house. Go inside. You
Go
see
inside?
something? Did you see something? Did you see something? No, he didn't notice.
Oh! Yeah!
Oh man, I wanted to do something funny. I can't think of anything funny we can write. Vloggy Tru's Playboy Mansion.
Well, that'll be on the Playboy Island. We'll save that
I
for
know,
there.
right? Okay, well that's gonna be okay for now. How am I doing with? I need more. I need more of this. I don't feel like taking down this tree. It's too big. Let me just get this one.
Oh, damn it.
Oh man, I gotta leave for work in like 10 minutes.
Oh!
I just
I didn't know we were
realized.
that close.
I mean, I'm gonna be leaving the server open. So if you want to keep playing offline, you know, while I'm not here, I mean, it's always gonna be open 24 hours. So if you want to join in whenever I'm not, when I'm not in, it's up to you. It's fine.
That's all right. I'll just wait. We gotta build. We gotta build together.
Yeah, I mean, but I love doing everything on stream, so everything's like documented, every single blog that we post. I love doing that. But I mean, if you wanna go in, that's fine. I don't mind.
I mean, if I did come on, it would just be to like just gather a bunch of stuff.
All right,
so I didn't have to like gather on stream. Just have all the items ready.
It's looking sexy, our house. Look at this. Touch my tra-la-la.
We're gonna have a sweet walkway going down to the beach. A little beachfront property.
Actually, I'm gonna take down the sign. I'm gonna place it again.
What are you doing?
Vloggy and Tru. Vloggy and Tru. And where's the end? And Tru. No, actually, I've got an idea.
Uh-oh. Oh, so much cobblestone.
Much better design.
Oh,
that's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be.
Oh, yes, the house of Tralala.
The house of Tralala. Oh, the house of Tralala.
Yes, Tralala.
The thing is, I ran out of cobblestone, so I cannot proceed with making more flooring for now. Ooh, look at that. Nice. What we can do, something like this perhaps. Oh, I just realized that's night, dude. We're gonna get attacked by monsters. Come back in.
Oh, how dare they attack
I just realized now.
Building.
He said, yes, true, I have ideas that aren't related to guns. Sometimes they serve to help others. Oh, man. Come back in.
Gotta go to sleep.
We need to sleep.
Ah!
Alright.
Oh, our beds are floating. Jumping up into bed.
Floaty beds. You see what you're missing, Sakura? Floaty beds.
Oh, man. She could be in the middle of a
careful of the monsters
Vloggy
outside
Tru
now.
sandwich. Why did I start outside?
Really?
Why the hell am I on fire? Ow! What the hell?
You just got attacked by a monster that was on fire, probably. How did you spawn outside?
Yeah.
That's the thing.
I don't know.
Maybe it had to do with the fact that you were outside. Watch out, there's a zombie right behind you!
Ah!
You okay, bud?
I'm alive. Oh, man, it's dangerous. It's dangerous work building here on Murder Island.
Murder Island. Alright, so, I got some dirt. Ooh, I can fill up the holes. Yes, please.
Oh.
I hate the holes.
What she said.
Giggity goo. Put this over here.
All right, we finally hit the bottom of our beachfront property here.
Is Sakura still watching us?
Well, I don't know. She might be in my stream.
Sakura, come join us, please.
Sakura. Come on, sugar butt.
Come on, sugar butt. Alright, so much better now.
Oh, what the hell happened?
It's all nice
here?
and even. I love even floors.
Oh yeah. There we go. Why is this? Does this one look weird?
Alright, so
There we go.
that's that. Oh, arrows. I think I can make a bow now, huh? How many arrows do I have? I have 13 arrows. That's fantastic. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do actually. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna craft a bow and arrow. Let's see if I have enough for you as well to make you one. Let's see.
Okay.
I don't have any string, but I'm sure I got string earlier. What? Come on, dude. I'm sure I had string, but we don't. Oh, there it is. I see string, yeah. Sakura's here, yes. Lol, I can't hear. Vloggy, look at Discord. I'm gonna look at Discord in a second, because I'm busy. I can only make one bow and arrow, sorry.
I'm gonna put a torch down here by the bottom of our sweet pad. Our sweet beach entrance.
Okay.
Oh, I need sticks.
True, look at me, look at me, True. Look at me, look at this, look at this.
Look at you. Hey! Careful when you point that thing. and I'm also talking about your arrow. Hey!
The arrow's stuck in your face. Look at me.
Oh, what a jerk.
The arrow is stuck in your face. You should see. Yeah. The arrow's right stuck in your face.
I need sticks.
Okay, I can't say that I'm not here for him.
What a terrible person. Hey, how about you quit shooting me in the face and fix these floors? How about that, huh? Our place is looking like a bum shack.
I need to get more cobble.
Yeah, you do.
But come on, the house looks gorgeous now. It's starting. It still has a long way to go. But it's gonna look beautiful. Beautiful. I have an idea actually for upstairs, but I need
hold on, I need to eat because somebody shot me with an arrow in the face.
Oh, sorry. I forgot you get damaged.
Oh, you forgot that you get damaged when somebody shoots you in the face with an arrow. Weird that you forgot that.
Oops. Alright, I'm gonna do this real quick, and then... Oh, hold on. Can I do this? Oh, dude! That's not what I had in mind.
Ah.
Hold on. Alright, let's try again. 1, 2, hoop! There we go. Alright, so, I'm gonna... This is almost done, so... Shouldn't take that long now. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Most people don't give Minecraft a chance because, I mean, of the very blocky graphics, and because it appeals to a lot of kids, so they're like, oh, it's a childish game, you know?
Yeah.
But it's such a relaxing game. When it comes, there's two aspects. You can craft and build and all that, and I find it very relaxing.
It's a cool game. I would never knock a game for graphics. Graphics don't make it.
Exactly. So I always say that graphics don't make a good game. Never.
Sure, can you take a quick look at... Alright, I'll take a look at Discord, because Sakura's gonna hurt us pretty soon.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. She's gonna... did I just break my... I broke my... That's fine.
No, don't buy it on Steam. This is not... That's just a story thing. Yes, that second one, Sakura.
Wow, look at that. Ooh, looks gorgeous.
Yes, Sakura, the second one. The one that's... Windows Minecraft from the Minecraft website. Don't get it on Steam. That's story mode.
Seriously?
I mean, you can't...
Sakura, seriously, Sakura. Seriously.
I mean, you can get it, but that's not what we're playing.
No, don't get that. Minecraft is not available on Steam, that's the thing.
Well, no, it's that story mode one.
I don't, let's see.
You know, the one you played.
I don't think you should make, like, a wall on the side of the stairs, because I don't think it will be safe. We might have mobs jumping on
Oh, yeah, that's true. We might get trapped.
I like the stairs as they are going down the hill, basically. Maybe we just leave it a bit rough.
I'll just make it safer. Yeah.
make it just a bit rough, like regular old. I don't have a shovel, do I? No. Sadly, I'm gonna have to call it because I have to be at work in exactly 25 minutes.
All right.
25, and I'm gonna have to call it. I mean, you're welcome to stay if you're enjoying. If you're enjoying.
Nah. Save it for later.
I'm gonna. The server is always gonna stay open, and I'm gonna be inviting a few friends. So even if you come online, you might run into people walking around. They're just people that I have authorized. All right. Sakura will be let in if she joins, and there's also going to be Nikki as well. She's going to be joining us sooner or later. So thank you so much for those of you that stopped by the stream. this was fun. We need to have a nice habit of closing the door behind us.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, monsters and whatnot.
Yeah, monsters and whatnot. That's right. I'm gonna go. Thank you, Tru, for playing with me. This was fun, and it gets better. It gets better. There's like other dimensions. We can build portals and cross into other dimensions. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much, and I will see you. You can't play for the next couple of days, eh?
Well, tomorrow I could play in the morning. I actually fly out. I'm going back home for a couple of days, and then I won't be able to play till like the 6th. But tomorrow, if you're free in the morning or afternoon, I could.
I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll let you know. All right, that's it. GG. I'm gonna quit. Boop.
Yeah.
See ya, guys. Ciao, ciao. See ya. Where's the stop?